Wodofo ana abusua wode wa fidie ato Adom TV. Semre wo hwe enkranshansam ya medi ho chiame medin yam yeso ene nita kotego me makwaba ede badwumade we so. When we are all born into this world, we all desire to live a good life. Ye nyina e wa brabo mu ye pese ye bubra eso ani. Ye bubra empo ede enemapa ebre yen. Ebu bra ebema empo woni eben yen ato ye nipa se wo ya de wa nipa papa empo ye adwuma se mpanifo hu se akwa wo de nipa papa se empo ye sua de ne ayo ane se ye be sua de edum pempenso a se sohwe ba ye be din kunim ne aka se wo de a good student empo aware wo yere pese okunu ka kire ne se wo ye oyere papa na empo okunu so pese ne yere ka kire ne se wo ye okunu papa enkwada ya wo aba wi asenso woni pese ye ka kire ne se wo ye akwada papa na won so ehwe na na eja e ka kire se wo ye ni papa nti nyina ye pe papa yo ye pe de be yo a ya brabo bedimu aso ani nti na de nema me de bra mato ne din making your life look good. Making your life look good. Ababa ebo is o ko ba bia o hyehyɛ ho hyehyɛ ho kama na wa feel good ene de me hutwa na ye kasa making your life good wo life no nema miensa ene kabomu a eye wo life no de di kan eye sebe wo de ana ye fe na physical ana adwene ana psychological ene sunsum ana spirit. Nti ansa na obeka say your life is good no, all these three components should be good. You should be good physically, you should be good mentally, and you should be good spiritually. Say wa brabo edimu honam fam na edimu nyansa ne adwene fam na edimu sunsum fam. Nti untimi sore preko ka say o ma brabo dimu ana ma brabo sefata a sinto elba kumu ye fa we de ana physical ne ye fa wa adwene ana mental ne fa wo spirit ana usunsum mu a ese wo nyina ekoben krom a wo bubra papa na empo edimu na ye ka physical good na wabrabo eye physical no edimu a ene sen enye watare hye enye wa hosiesie enye bebia woda enye ka wotimu na se wo apomodne soronko ye etima wodi akoniaba ene sen sa no power so de watete wo apom sa na power so de na empo wade aduane pa se edu ba bia watumi se we die mu abre nti obeje wa kakra na edu na dwusum nso a wapa na bia da sa nneema we a woye eno wonte ho emfiri empo adwene no ho eya adwene no eye die ena ma utimi ye nneema amekan nti ansa na betimi aka se you are looking good no se you feel good, you should feel good ese wode enneema beto adwene pro so mama wa kenya wo ho aka se me de meye ene sen ennioma a obeka no adwene pro so no enya we de enya osunsun enti waso na pai nnioma abeka kire ho no dwene ho esa se da beka bia na benya we de empo enya osunsun enti but for you to feel good you first have to think about good things esa wo yimu esa nnioma eye fata ya esabra bomu na empo wo bobo ho na pai na nyumre eno enti for you to look good so be shisha ho yie ni nyina so ye sika obotum so be dedu anepa sika obotum na ansa abanya sika no gise wadwen adore eye bibi ama adasama enya so mfaso na etua kapa na mpo wosunsum so edayie ene wo bo ade ne wo twaka bi yesunsum de ye hu no adwene mpo de se make say efrima adwen mu na sunsum no o kitahudi a ono so di wosunsum afamu ye wosunsum kitahudi emienu ye papaye sunsum ene ye bone ye sunsum ye sunsum e kronkron no kore ene odo ene wo sunsum a eye entro etan ene empodi enye enti nioma a obeye na abrabom no be kire sunsum a wo da no se wodi no kore na wo do adi na ene ye sefata wo dan sunsum papa ene edi entro na woni odo na empo obokro no na ye na man sefata wo dan sunsum bone enti ne obeye bia no ekenya wo sunsum kura obebata no te baba ye boy nioma miensa nyina kabomu a ena aka say I'm living a good life. Living a good life physically, living a good life mentally, and living a good life spiritually. ne nyina nyina so eye suban ne nyina so eye nia wota eyo ne nyina so eye nia wota ede wadwen siso simple ofa na desua said ya wo sin kete eso kane anajo epe mere sua de na ena bema ade na kotim simple ofa na apomodini a obesin kete anapa bia betetre wa pomu na mpo wudidi na ye de sefata osima pomu ye simple eba no sunsun famu a se wode kasapa wodo no kure ne pepepe ye obebubra na osunsun so ani age enti nioma miensa we ena adimi ya aka so my life is good. To make your life look good, you should focus on how good you are physically, as well as how good you are mentally, and how good you are spiritually. So when Timmy and who say, I won't say that I'm an hour penny on my basis, or brabo, why effect, and so be one, I said, can, why effect, and so born in a woody, why effect, and so I'm trying a woody. A banner sa, was soon some tobaha, Nempo wadrin so ayabasa. Nemum se wo pese wabrabo edimu ehso ani a se wo fa sa ne ma me ensa nyina na ebisa ho se ede na meya me wedie mu ebe menya hoodne na matrase ache ede na meya madwen pronso no ebe de na ne adware me na ede na meya me susum so eno so betodi na empo me ne twedi ampon onyankopon edi nkita ho se wo po wo mpo wo suban ema wone bone de nkita ho ana empotwe de ampo de nkita ho suban bi wo uda na di a ebie wo soro fence ena suban bi so wo uda na di a ebie empobonsam fence gidie ekura safoa edibie onyame apono ana ehu abufuo ni atete na awerɛho ebie empo obonsam apono so pese uhini nyankopɔn pono a eye gidie eye nokore eye nketehudi a edemfaso obere wo bi ene empo ayayeye a wabrabo suban eno ne ye beda ayeye di ama obo ade no se akwa wodi ni suban se fata amene bi a wo ye bibi obi yi waye no na ayeye no ekọ awrade ho eno nti ene da amene okase fa wo sikasam fa awade fa adisua fa pomodne na fa wo suban nyina bi sa se enioma me beye aso ede ayeye bebre me na bia kan de oyo me eso enema me be kan e de yeye be bre me na bia kan de oyo me se me gina hoi sa ma hin ya me yusu de oyo ye no se ka enye adwuma ka metwa nipa na no wanya de oyo ne nsem fata esanse oyo ade ntina me ne je ho se me yusu eno nti wo so obi na oyo wo ma adasa ma enenye wo suban wo kasa na ne ye ho na wo yi wa ya e bia kan de oyo wo no ebiom suade menya de suada suade pe bibi suagu adwen proso na wonyansa mo enore na wonyansa dore a enna akohia kwanhia a utimi enya no aduro ayo empanin se yenkoti adromra eno ane ahahan yempa abrabo pammo no eno ana de sua subampa kasapa ene esafata ahana meja wo odofo Begin say na abrabo akobo obebi sa ho say abrabo no is it good and then tend to live a good life. Me am dey dwumade on chame edi am jeso eye ni tekotego. Adom TV ha nipa bebe na show masene every sound camera and I'm a producer Priscilla and was show masene. Wo me da say we do afidie to ahwe me. Onyame ene montana.
Asedanka nyankopon a woyo yen se nenso ode adechie foforo amayen owura ni tekotego nso yedase sa de achi de yede sha adechie na se no ode mayen boye kotodwem na yede bi nso ato yetiko oka papa ayen kan ma wonko aho efise nipa hia nipa na nipa nso ne nipa nete no abisa ho se de me ya ama me huin aso benya sunsun aso papa wa foforo nso so ana efise meni owura ni tekotego ya adwense nipa bebre siesie won ho fefefe nanso won kra ne won sunsum ni ahoto fise woye nipa bonefo nyame moaye na yefa na asem ne na futusem no emmobra ene so nyame de acha yen no nsi edikan we ne dan mu no abo pepepe intimide bedwam kase ena esom bedwam dwumade no ana ya asase anuanom nyina ye krado ayede esom nemum sesie de no nsi aboyi bedwam kase se no nsi akase bo ena mede ma ona medin de ma mechra diamond de di ma akotene bia obete ene se Ghana agi atum se ane emoawa wo frɛ no se Marburg virus no ebi apie ewo omayimo na afen so kanema mpene John Dramani Mahama na eka se enya de asa 1 billion syndicated loan no ndc amanyoko no ene edomkoma ewo mrahye no womo ebeje ede atum ebi kan we ho anope mekenkan asomo se bedwam kase afemi sha sese Ghana Health Service adwumaku a womo hwe apomode ho nsem wo memu akansi sudua se eye no kresem wa moa bi onipa ntumi fa nani hu na wo frɛ no se virus ni bi no de ne din ede Marburg virus disease wo chaneti ase MVD no ebi epiem ewo omemu na asantemantemu ena kita onsabo sumi a ye wo mu ni nefo a na etoso enso no epiemu eno achi no nso enhwehwemu bi akoso ewo Senegal hinkro Dakar no nso a wo mede ko onuguchi no di adanse se saa yade na anasem wano ebia pie ewo ebibimema o my Ghana eka ho bi
Service Adom krata abeto montene so a wo kire mu se nhwehwemu a wo ye kire wa abra kitabusamo so me etosonson afempinu ene aduonu mienu mu wo hu se enipa mienu enya Marburg virus disease ni bi ewa santemantemu honom no Ghana Health Service pese wo de to manfo nyina enimu se nhwehwemu a etosomprenu a wonom san koye yi ewo Institute Pasteur ya ewo Dakar Senegal mu ekwabeda na di se nhwehwemu a Noguchi Memorial Institute for Medical Research for ye no eye no kre wonom atro won krata enimu se Emoja wo twen ya wo de ko IPD a ewiase amansampo mu den kabo mu kuo eta wonu mu achi ma wotumi eyeye no abeto dwa se wei ene bredin kan a we hunu Marburg virus disease ni bi ewa ha oto aso se saa nipa mienu ya na ahyensudie bi a wo da na die ene se wonya pepun na fe emoja etu wonu mu a wo kwa danse North Mansini ni mu ewa santemantemu ekopa yarehwe no ene ma wonu esusu se saa yare ni bi a wo kire mu a besine ya no enipa eduokunu wotwe ya oben sa nipa mienu ene wo hunu wo mu ewo Swala Tuna Kalba Mansini ni mu ewo Savannah Mantem mu ya sese wo mu nso no wode wonom akohye dan bi mu a wo hwe wonom ewo Asante ene Savannah Mantem mu Health Directorates na wakan sisudia se efri sabre no enya de se wo hunu yare ni bi ewo bia ho Enkrata ni mu no ene wakire mu se so bi da ahyensudie bi te se pepun jane nan na se moja wo mu emoja free ne numu ba emoja free honam dua ne mu ba emoja etu o wani ase na se wodun so na se emoja wo mu a bomoden a na fa kwa yaresa bia sanse bia na esa Marburg virus disease bi Ghana Health Service atro won krata mu se woni wonum a wodun edin sawoso ya Wildlife Department eka ho bie no ene hyehyɛ bebre egu akwam se ne bia yare no asie entre nkrata yi Dr. Patrick Kuma Boaje you Director General of Ghana Health Service and Anissa Eshas
Afeyenko Western of Montam nim na reya nanka wedding feshia de onum ye no 22 years na ne din ene Mavis Adjuma no be semre kakra ni ebusua enhu no entipaya na wo pai se won de hie yi ayira na so wani ba won ho so no omukohu no ne se oda ho no a wawu ewo enwura bim ewo sehwe bosomo so ay no wo sehwe oso kropon no emu na chese wayira ne ko wiase no nipa bofo bi ena ekunu atumwram
Ochra de ewo preparatory school ewo hwa nti opon a okofi all right onso ne boyfriend bi na wo na boyfriend kra wo nte ho otakra de nto believe na onne no wo nti Tuesday ana okra no se okọ school ana okọ nti be 1 o'clock 1:30 ana friend boyfriend se onfa na ID card voter ID card mre no school mo ana ode voter ID card no command to de man no na obi san say on twen no no mienu nkofia o se da bi no pon a obekọ dwunase akọje ade nti ebo be 2 mu ana ofre boy ni say okọ dwunase aba ho no boy na antini nkan bi no so opon 5 o'clock na we classes nti no mi say bi obeba be classes nti ebo 5 na won tin nkan no try say ofre na all right so bia entini nkan nti afede na waye na yam hihye na so ofre fie bosomon so no bisa say bia wa ba ha to frɛ no nso na yɛnmi sɛ ebia okoba bia nso yɛ try number na ɛkɔ nso bia mpeke nti na yɛ sɛ aya yɛ mhyehyɛ na mi sɛ bia wo nso ade ebia bibia ntimi sɛ wiade bibia ntimi nsi Nti e twen ama ne du Wednesday ne koye police report ne koye forms e koye information the information koye no mo ye information ayi mai ye twen a afedie ye huhwe nti ne police for ye kwa ba sa te no na me ye nse me ko police station wona ne headmaster na oni oche oni school mu no mi suspect say bia ono say so ye friend no be taking statement nti ye twen ye ho aye ya na hu say honorable Polyvance the former MP oni woman bi a wo hye former tade ene boy ba ko e bai to bai na mo call charge office to mo call charge office ona panin no e frɛ me invite me o ne office say memra ti me call no bisa me say minim ona bo am say minim no na manke no na me former MP and I say o MP ni su nim no say I no offer ase ne me ti nyina o no say ene no mo ate ni say na e ko na o makoto say obi awu e da ba bi nti o mo suspect say bia me nipa na nti memra ne yenye arrangement ne enkonkohwe nke ba asa no nipa bebreti nti na say o mo kokkohwe to mo ko e na say e minua no nti me o hospital police station o kwa no frame say minua na nti na say me ankasa me police for no so ebo tire ne kokkohwe ye ko e a na ye no say minua no na obi akuno
Yɛmfa ahomete Samara Hosemesi ha na yɛnkɔnsɛmfo from na Kanema Mpani John Dramani Mahama ɛna ɛka New Patriotic Party NPP amanyɔkuo no sɛ bibia dɛ de pefe sɛ ahoɔden pa wɔn ɛde Ghana economy ne bɛkɔ yie ne de wɔn ne sɛ ahoɔden ne bi enti no sɛ de aya na sɛ ɔhaw ɛna wɔn de ɔman Ghana ekom na wɔde sobo no nyinaa abɔ Akufo-Addo ɛne Bawumia amamuo a ɛkyerɛ sɛ wɔn ayɛ akanifo a wɔn anhyɛ dɛ nya ɛhyehyɛ papa bi a mfa ngu akwam enti na
election-related expenditure mismanagement, ineptitude, and lack of leadership. Irresponsibility is to shift responsibility to others. Leaders are simply not worth the mandate of many people. What Ghana requires today is serious to reverse the trajectory of the economic collapse that although my call is Akufo-Addo to take reflective into the management of
Wachire mu se de sesei amemu no enko yie ya ne nyina mu no aban ede ahye COVID-19 yare etu atese ene Russia Ukraine ntokwa no nyaade a ewo nyina so bia esan se aman ahodo bebre wo hono mu a wonom so enam sa ahokyire yi bi mu nanso nyaade se sikasemu ahokyire abasa aman ahodo yi so sa
we a nation in distress that requires urgent salvation in 2022 when we have gone back to the IMF, and that is why we have been measured and responsible in our commentary and posturing over the latest decision by this government. It's also the reason why we've insisted on effective scrutiny of the economic and financial decisions of this government at this time, especially in Parliament. We do not believe that the existence of crisis permits even more reckless decision-making. All decisions and policy choices made at this critical juncture could offer relief or could exacerbate our problems and make recovery extremely difficult.
Ebra okan no wie no ena Kanema Mpani John Dramani Mahama saka we kan ho say they were from no say syndicated loan ye $1 billion a wode akwakoto ye mrasebejafo anim say won hwe anim say won besan no won mo NDC amanyoko no won nsan afen so dom kuma won mrasebejafie no so won mfua so fi say won hu sabe nyansa bi ewom say oman no ebekwa akogye sa abesian we ye bewiase no e de ahohiahia ebebro manfo no.
Our position on the $250 million component remains unchanged. As such, unfavorable terms as the $45 million payment and total interest payments over $80 million make it too expensive for the economic industry. It is also not programmed in the 2022 budget. Until the terms are renegotiated to make them favorable, the same captured in subsequent budgets, we are unable to support the approval of the $250 million component. On the issue of the $750 million AFRI-EXIM component, which was programmed in the 2022 budget. In 2022, he provided for international borrowing of 750 million. So it was provided for. We know that since my decision was stated, some efforts have gone into renegotiating the costs and terms, which now appear more favorable than when it was originally presented to Parliament. Yeah. Clarity is, however, yet to be brought on the exact purpose and use of the loan. Beyond the sweeping claim of using it to finance some activities in a few sectors, no breakdown of growth-related sector projects has been provided for which the loan is to be used. I wish to state that in addition to the new and improved terms, the NDC will only support the approval of this for specific growth-related projects leading to improvement in the lives of people is presented to us. It is believed that this workshop has sharpened your skills, which have already come in handy in the fight to protect the interests of the people of Ghana and keep this government in check. If we are to navigate these turbulent and extremely difficult periods in our history, we will need an effective and vibrant legislature.
Kasieda so de wojina amanyosemo na nano memenenda no your election headquarters multimedia Adom cluster bomodi ama wo de koso ewo Accra Sports Stadium ekowi ase no na nka onipa wo ye chochofo pani edema New Patriotic Party NPP oso kokrokwa amanyoku no John Boadu edi enkuguo ama sesie yi de onipa wo no na waba ye General Secretary dima NPP amanyoku no ene eye Justin Kodia enti eno so ho asem eni
Wetwetwefo opani di brani mu no so no na adaje enipo so kra ni nyina ne se opani anu ote adwamu wetwetwefo opani edema NPP amanyuku no John Boadu hia ntokwakyane a na enya asem keto akra babra Justin Frimpong Kodua obona mrane Fred JFK ya wono ene pani kwankyerefo aboda Youth Employment Agency ano eyi ni to akonwa ya na akoye enibresem yie pa nipa nson enegina mu epre twetwefo opani di breno nanso ewiase no na omu baako Charles nana benyi onua wonto bisiu eyi ne ho afrimu a wankwankwa gina ampribie nanso wabra dano memenda abato ni nyina ebe wiye no na owura John Boadu enyama no empimienu ahanum ene aduonu nan ya owura Idrisu Musa Superior ya ekane no ono so eye Tamalikura nso enyama no wo ha ene nan Ramzie Ahmed Ajiman Prempe ya wono so edi akotene wo amanyuku no mu enyama no wotwen ewo mu se owura Charles nana bini onua wonto bisiu eyi ne ho afrimu de nanso ebra abato ne ba wiye no na wanya emu dumienu owura Frederick Ansa ya ebrebi atwam no yemra hyebedwani de mo manfo a owo suhu no saye so afo abedi akira ohwe ngitahudi ho nsam so enyama no aduonum na fi Justin Frimpong Kodua JFK enso enyama no empimienu ahanwotwen enuade asanan 2834 na kire se owura Justin Frimpong Kodua na amayekuo no mu esi ahene no de ahencha no ahye no se omra meye twetwefo pani emfama amanyekuo no emfie na ya edi animu ne ho abakwasem kakra ewo ho nso nie owura Justin Frimpong Kodua ahini meboso da etosudu na afi apem ahankron adwewatwe mienu 14th November 1982 wokumase ye wa Asante Mantemu ehye na desuase Opokuwari School free hono otoaso Kwame Nkrumah Siapon mu ekwaje ntete se emranim ni okọ Hackney Community College ya eno ewo London English abrechememu ekotoa ne ntete yeso na dibra hodro a wasom abrabo mu bi enese obaye emranim ni Adomako Kwache Law Consult afi ofri hono okotoa emra dwumedie so Jomint and Associates. The free hono obeka abedwoku opa wonse womo enhwe kan 2008 ball bakensia ekoso ewo Ghana ha so no eho na oba manyosem a dibra hodro bi a wakita ne se ebra na MPP amayekuo no ebontoa afimpi mienu ene nwatwemu no waka nto abokuo ya na wa Asante Mantem no ho yie pa ofri hono obeye mabunu don frefo abedi akire ewo Asante Mantem afimpi mienu ene dumu afei obeye Asante Mantem mabunu don frefo ewo afimpi mienu ne dunan we dwemtreni edema emranim kuo ya ohwetwa edeje MPP amayekuo no mabunu kuo no emu efiri mfimpi mienu ne donso ebade wono na aye pani kwankyerefo a wada Youth Employment Agency wayi ano ewo manga ne mu nani so ade hunu ne se enuoma atochema wa mayekuo no mpanimfo ene wona wo fom mu no oba betutu ni nyina na etwene kase a eda wontam no so wayi ade afiri honom asan ahyebo se obabua ama mayekuo no ayakono no wona mpo wafiri mu nyina asa ba bedon se ne be ya obeka won ho abom no wade akwakohia afempi mienu ene eduonu na ya bato a ebayi emu
Ora Justin Kodia ene enuano we ka ho mu de nkonim nyina ye mamayiko wo mo nso wo mo ani nkonim no eyoko eya kensi mo so ayiko se munya wo pe no kra de kosa akensi no enti ayiko to mu nyina na mede bedwam kase no esi afeye ye doso ena yeso mo bedwam no enti kwasensi atena se the obonkrata na ne nkomodi esefata no de bebro me camera for sound ene directors ne obibia light drivers ye da mu nyina se ye shia eba som ene bedwam enti mo so amoshe no mo fiefiem TV so ofo ne so wato data kire odododo ye da se na me kai wo so bibia ye live wo Facebook ne Instagram aya like it comment it na share so pa na nuano mo so enye bi enhwe kwesi mpacho mache Erade Adom pacho nso
Nyame Adom Ejabende MPP4 na stretch SMTF4 party chitafo delegate mampena bede china pamfo nyina
eno na no pe no ru ani tekotego kase se wo ka sempa ma ho aya ka bi mo obi nso efise obi ehia obi nto kama onko ho ade wo hia na ye mobo a wabra bonye den enko nkan nti se jofo no ye hia amanyofo nso ehia senjofo nti o matwe emu saa no na akire no so ate ase
ekohia ma me kwa ma so kodi enkomo wetew emfa emra divine O2 agohum eye Greater Accra Regional Chairman de ma NPP amanyoko conference ya party no eye no enkrapompini mantemu enomo ye ntono na so era na esie chewa ate eke mo acha no pai ere ba bedwam dwumadi so Adom TV so
Metuka.
Akraba ko de
nyame de che ye ho ye.
Yere nyame ase. Were amanfo no a ebo maba so se nwa ya de. Dwumadie no ekoyie eye fe ya kono na ade ba ko eka mu eye ne kenkan no eche dodo. Chairman wona na dwumadie no esiu na so die ne sie.
Yo Mexican ada nyame ase se adipachi anoprenso na mada motifo ni masofo nyina se mazada party penyemfo ni omo amubo ye ma organization no yes say in fact this will go down in history as one of the best organized conferences I had before your best party no looking at the situation now your woman had party penyemfo ye for join say yemma publicity ni nyama bet say sika billboard akese ni posters ni banners ni you know yemma ni nyina ekofem candidates omu ye me sa
okay
in fact adiano die nyame ni ekoye papa na me we are join say declaration no echo actually party said delegates na ma stadium no tem ye planning say and can by somewhere na idea na can ya take it off but ya almost to 4 and sana ye party to aba enti nyama no ko actually ye no na the my ni che pa on say vice chairman position no I didn't know say one ballot paper ye be ma no ube select for 3 womo and in no ye via the tally no e na e che na ye via no nyina no candidate on me no ye former chairman for Eastern region chairman Captain Kisi any Masaudu ni onya third vice chair no omo no problem kakra ba ho and he trying to correct that mistake no manage ye we almost yes and yes tally no bio we did the tally 3 times Entema ade no ko echire ba uhwe babofo police for ni media omo jina ye ehwe dwumaya apama de chenye afana ye declaration no enti wa mami akonya we die opanyi medam ase na masre nyame hira se mo ye bi papa ye da mo ase se mo nyina mo aboa any delegates nyina greater cry executives ni ye party panyin for security ni bibia ekoye enti paucho facha mi say my be umre ni kakra but I want to use this opportunity now me for appreciate omwa omubu ayet ma pipia eko so come and say
okay chairman ade ba ko say before abatono no na woka 15 regional chairman ya mu declare mu support edema mu former general secretary John Bodu abatono no eba na wieye ankwanko wie ni saa kwan be na mo fa so apache saa sintone twaka na ebeda mo ne kodua frempon entem se na be ya azunwe betime ya adwuma e wo saa regional chairman na mo declare edema John Bodu.
Okay, you mean that say first of all wabo kodua din die na me pese me congratulate no say wadi kunim okudin na nyame aboa amana din kunim also for the others almost almost di kunim no na what some be say the me year no year and then it say the ba ya ekoye say ye declare ema ye general secretary no number 1 na ye ne edwuma na onu na 2016 election na ye call ye fa call elections do biom e wo 2020 no ye ni na ye edwuma ye nim ni ye ye nim what he can do na tefenia wo kan ye nia kodua wa win election see ye nyina ye be je to mu say afei na oba be ye edwuma no na wodi obi aye edwuma unim se nia nipa no na edwuma sitie na ye be call critical elections like this in 2024 ewo ya adwen mo no ye nim se wa ye bida enti se ebate ye ni ko as chairman no yeah, confidence level in him because why you be that I witnessing.
But chairman, as a regional chairman, I would do draw a party in the region. You know, say na you're wrong. Some of you have public declaration. Okay.
Na me can say, ye nipa baako oye ye central regional chairman no na bibi kakra si na e pa no say ye fre John Bodu no mbra na ye mbisa no enti opa ye bisa no wiye no ye hu say ade no sabi de ye ti ye no na nye sa na etie enti ma ye adwen say sa na ade na koye dia ye declare their support John Bodu. So because there's no too much time, no say that me ya no nie. Na question now, na bisa say ye ni say ye wrong, say ye be declare a support obi. I don't know why you are saying that. Ye party can for ye party for. So if for whatever reason ye feel it say na ye nyana ye pair mingi bi se bibi etie kwan se yetumi yefa woni bibi sa e de pacho to me training
se na mo betimi ne kodua akambom aye adwuma wa bra publicly mama obi ati ase se onye good enough for that position and there part ne dia share say
okay question na maybe obi sa me first am here I don't know o see ye nim say e wrong maybe say bibi wo ho sa e chese yentumi yesa
ba se unim se morally obi a woda
so yi media na no me media na no
na make se unim se morally obi a woda dodo ano na party for ma preposition na wayi wanim e de ama baako sese baako ya yi wanim ma ni wanwini ne na wo mpeno no e na aba ba wini etine ubede du manfo anim akode nchempo na kodi nkomo de afa party ni mpuntuo a wo region awo
Okay, yo, next say we yang tum yang agree say what you said earlier no say wrong no it's not constitutional. Yes sir.
Enya constitution say na me kan.
Very good. Okay, yo. Na the me ya no say na me ya no ni say. Na tombe no ye ni ne aye adwuma. Say regional chairman ye ni na aye adwuma. Sa na ye ko elections aye ko ye ni say Obia betumi eden awini nipa no nya wini no be ye general secretary as it is now no we have no other a choice than to support near wabano na onye juma no ete no de nye bin
okay
ono Koduano any John any whoever bia omo contest no obia nim say any possibility at all can happen NCDA ye the contest ye pre we support you, we support you, Sana Yeno. It is the responsibility of Niewa winning to bring all of us together. Sana Denity,
okay.
Party Nibia himself, ye Bequa, ye Prehu, ye Prehuna, ye winning pair. We must come together.
But
to me, as a chairman, enemy call it a chairman. Ye contest, you know. We have no choice than to work and support him. Also has no choice than to bring all of us together.
Okay.
We all know that in the interest of the party nomination say your cooperative Obia to make up whatever he wants to go. Now, first of all, as a regional chairman, no, what could declare they will support you? You will appeal. There are other colleagues of ours, almost regional officers, almost openly, no, they were supporting others. Mrambia still be our
follow up. Chairman, Mera CP no penya mention no nka ho ne adwumaden a wo ye de ma NPP amanyoko. Divine Otu Agohum, Greater Accra Regional Chairman de ma NPP amanyoko. Enu anso Diamond Kodua party kakra oni fie. Na ho asem ye se Chairman wuntumi odi 15 Regional Chairman ani mo mo ye campaign ti ano ekọ ho no mu bi. There na online o ka kira no pay.
Well, you call online so na adomonline.com and so hanum say ani nyina ye NPP the course na watch ye wie ye metre da memenda na de chie kwasi ada no ene ensem bi eka ho enti therefore NPP amanyoko ne ho no or say outcome of delegates conference a win for NPP Alan Chairman ena eka sasemi say wo hwe abato ne sunsanso na eba abonten na che se bibia de adanse say mfempem ye no ene aduonu nan say NPP ni NDC womo de sie ni a yenkonimdie e de ma osono amanyoko ntie no e wa ha full test EC plans to for Ekofuado Mahama speak at minority group workshop and no mon sem no bi no e de aye kasebo e de ama wa na wote se kanema mpani Mahama ka se sa 1 billion syndicated loan no oforiata de akoto mrahebedwa anim no minority no emfoaso NDC amanyoko no so emfoaso na ba ko eda hanum se ya esese obia pene ho asam kenkan yie eye owura ko ansa ye te se dunsin a ni hi no megidi sese aha nesia etretra kokeka cycle ne babia na ne branches nso ye nkrabata ne de ene na te se wo mantam ni nyina bim enti so pese wo hu opani ya ye ka ne ho asem ya call adomonline.com na owura ko ansa on the 8th floor a person tribute by Mr. Enimel Ashon enti ene ya wotiasi ena nipa owura Enimel Ashon atro ne ho nsam ede hye na nuonyam fi se waye funu da ho no de ne aka ne nyina no eguna so achi enti owura ko ansa eye enipa ne nimdie mu ene de oye ene ne tetiem no mekura me wo mu chefa enti owura kwanza nyame hyirawo ne aka ne de enkwatenteni ahode no ewo nyame ensem nyame hyirawo pa enti celebrating the legendary kwanza na chese no so wo entertainment ensem no ehu bi and entertainment corona so Buhari celebrate actor Olujacob se kwasi wa he Olujacob ne se ne bi da to de bia bonso ye pani bi openkola pa to de bi so courtism no di mu akotene enje se sa no tie
to de bi so yo hene
to de bi so yo hene mo otaye ya hene pa one eyi Peter dochi omotaye o hene nti otaye sikani ye nyina ya hwehwe omo se nti ono so ne ya wote ase na ne mampani Buhari watumi ase na nuonyam megede se eni party ase na ese na nuonyam a eye
chenso be wasana ya be dia dance ku
ne ya sorry tin ne aka ne honsam tin ni penso da hwe won fa nya hwe enti mani age owura kwansa ntete ye odema ye TV Africa ye mu binom no nyame adom na ene eguso ayede etoa adwuma no so som Ghana owura kwansa mpacho memwache kwasi nti adomonline.com no de wa ha ne bi no
mame fa Ghanaian Times ne Daily Guide emom ode Stephen Ayesu in team phone about say it's in team at last guest not after contesting unsuccessfully for the last 20 years in 4 previous elections. We will negotiate good deal with IMF. President Nana Addo Dankwa Akufo-Addo. NPA clamps down Western region fuel stations, cheating customers. Court others defendant in COVID-19 protocol breach case to open defense. Ghanaian Times and on Osasuna Daily Guide Abokata so they have said Akufo-Addo allows Freddy blame. Sasuna say intimate leads NPP into 2024 as JFK on seat John Boadu. Now Daily Guide na Diamond akosua de cartoon bi aba
ayo akosua sesen
na omo foni ewa baaku ayese Justin Frimpong Kodua ose
Justin Frimpong Kodua
okay ana baaku nso ese John Boadu
okay
ye fen adwen kese
ayo
na akosua se fie delegates ni nyina echi se yese Ukraine war na ma JFK ABT John Boadu
mpacho se Dynamite Podo mpacho se JFK yehwanya
JFK Justin Frimpong Kodua
ena Ukraine war ye de
yes Ukraine war no ena support JFK emo Kodua ma otumi BT John Boadu say na yes John Boadu sata no free Ukraine eba
akosia na say
wo to ye no na share the TV de ni ba no say say ni be sie nyesi
akosia na say wo
akosia na say
ene makosia
ba ko come asem ye nkofo mo yes John Boadu ene Justin Frimpong Kodua
okay
Daily Guide ene do ba ne
anope ye da Daily Guide ne akosia se enti pato de si wo the worker
Daily Guide yeah
okay me say embrandenti ye de besi ahanum say na afa agokansie emonsem abawa kwam no achi na ye joada hosepe sister ono so e de bebro na afa metena se afisem ye bedi nkomo kakra no so chimpensempensem no kwasinsia e de bebro koso na sha Adom TV if you say ye wado ye me de ma me kira Diamond ye mo achi
Akwaba kese bi on ba Adom TV so Adom TV so be dwendwuma die so dia o kan si ho sempa esa kan no pan so ja me di Enoch Kwasi Wolanyo Wallace agudie catch ba ko pe the only nomenclature professor's degree in sports the Al Regina Wallace the nation's presenter and mesin kunya ekono kwanten coding small esa kan no pan so e wo Ghana agudie ejao se no so ma me se dwuma ko mienu o madama wo na ebo misika dwete men no pan so ya den common eba I've always told you that betting is better than sakawa bet there no one 1x bet but more than that say unya bet there we try to be full no didn't be full intasima bet echi no so we try na kese a na odini kese nti faketo akwaje kese say busuani bi asase na say japade bi na ejawa obetua akoton faketo akwaje kese try to be full na didn't be full na mum bet with money that you can afford to lose sika 7 yado editua danka editua hospital bills ye mfa ntwa bet nyesa dia waso betua san e krasen ayon more than that so sabetimi aka 1x bet so per bet we nyina echi a obetimi etwa 1x bet na boa ema niama etia tutu ye e de ma first semester do tita hwe ba ko a infections bia on saka bia do to ase prapro harawa na mo na bom ma otimi di nkinche omodin so do ni be che ba shops pharmaceutical shops awu do nemu on sabetia kan first semester na aboa amaniama etia tutu ye e de ma na question na pa dance o msi only G fast can save omodin da so on sabetia kan say do bi betia aboa amaniama etia tutu ye de ma Sedimo gel and roll-on your ultimate pain relieving gel on set me can do bia ya odie bia da etu ase prapra no ema niema etia ku ye de ma furniture shama main market na fe temanso nya na hokra send more gel and roll on phone pay for say upbi etu akoton na say woto no kasa wo de aye ho a wo betia from 0208986731 na oni send more gel and roll on yɛntwehwe nkɔmɔ yɛnhwɛ ɛma nneɛma 822 year and famao yɛmfa ni ntwen sankyere mu nkɔmɔ di kan journey of 1000 kilometers begins from very first step there na 2022 Women's African Cup of Nations no and a playoff no etime top fem circle ba se ni Senegal for the penalties ekwa nim nyame adoma ni bepiem no semi final ne ana sankins ni betian santo Zambia and South Africa be she kana from Morocco and Nigeria and so their Kingston at times we African Cup of Nations women's version and then also 18 Santo Fe. But quickly, if an inch the national under 20 female side from say the Black Princesses almost qualified the under 20 World Cup El Costa Rica. Naza Costa Rica abandoning and paying for Ghana football association from paying for a Cambia or Masha Marana Boss on Bomako campaign our Europe now for more the aquatin to Mumpumu now the area of Cassie because weather acclimatization and San Pebno or Marco Costa Rica proper on the 10th to 28th of August 2022. No ana Black Princesses captain first say Evelyn Bedu then kumoka kraba say obedan paying fast some design shares so kwetien gu akwamu ebetin aboa atom dwumadi a mudi nchinim na aboa ma na kuma bia ebia on the crew and crab pm Ghana.
I need team no be 2 weeks ago and ebedu ya no meeting some colleagues no o ma hon keka like we so be any abrai ready for okuna e dey anim no ntimi so any gi any ade work camp players no bia no bia like cool say to kwane ne man kitikiti bia ntimi so my colleagues no any men no enyina e ready for okuna e dey anim no Europe bobo no make say Europe football and say we anim kakra say football na e Africa in terms of like facilities ni bibia but just say Ghana so Africa guso kakra but ye pa say GFA organize training tour honoma ye kwa like lucky so benya friendly matches international friendly matches be aboa to say baby so I think say a very good preparation at GFA no dey amaye at this time of the moment I akobo World Cup no yeah na me die so ba kuna me kasa na abamu no cause me hwe baby I start free time I be share camp na anka anko said na me hwehwe na say kebe me yakasi pa one crack betim the blame so ama me say at that crucial moment na me ja my colleagues no hono na me call ye na say kebe me yapa but at the end no enunyam ne bibia ba say me ni agipa ntimi say one of the achievement at least as a captain me team I qualify to World Cup ne say me ni agipa ye pressure dey me ka say bi na me so na me boa and pressure na nyame nkwan so the whole team na ye come my colleagues no at 2022 yeah pressure be brewum cause me share adwuma and I din kakra Africa ha and that me so near the na say mako akodu world level as a captain to me I'm jere me ho am boa me team ne me man na say I'm qualified to the next stage say e din na me pay ni nyere say enya ho adwuma and I'm koye wo so pressure dey be that me super yeah it's a me Evelyn Bedu me free say kwa ekura bi ase metima bedru sam pempen so ya oba football bia so betimi ade aye eno ane adwumaden empaibo and a self determination obi abetimi aye edu sam pempen so
Nti Evelyn Bedu captain for the Black Princess of Ghana national under 20 female side no and alternate council officer kwase dun ketia kro muton ana Orest Mexico so wanso na Emmanuel Ajima Bedu Sufi wanso na William Asare Mensa win na afia utimi sampa won abaye mapoma nti Orest na Mexico so Evelyn Bedu say ono kro officer kwa watimi aba abegina mu ye captain de ma national under 20 side ne dia no gide pass obia ofito kro bia mu no erade e wo mere e de ma na Ghana Football Association from paying for the announcement kakra ba say Tamale City FC mysterious ebusuan bonto drafts omomra ne IDK Adipande team omudin pade nkase kire ne kotoba Thomas so de enso motia badoko hwesen ne ma AC ekoso Liberty Professionals omso honum na omochese Ashanti Go Football Club omofo beka omofane guilty match manipulation 2022-2021 Ghana Premier League ni TSC yomu film e di moto omno mkopie mu Division 2 nti ntufi no apagafo na nya team ba ko betia be shoma 9 nti omo ne hye na ba sesa teams ya medi kan bo mudi no nyame adoma omo bebo playoff ni wia na afi yetime hu ba ko a obedi nkunim no na so the nature san chire ebe boa e ma niama atua koyi but me san ko mu ahwe se na hye ni si koso no emna bia ni ho a e ma mo kwan se omo fa san hye so nkwintwen sampem so 11 wonders for se wo hwe se na hye ni si koso e Casiopoli Juventus time na je se Juventus for ye ka se omo ne di first but wo hwe se na Mexico so na ye secretary hye ni dwun bia twen sampem iyo mu fi ono we hasa na we di motion no ana so be call relegation no na so be that table na se the other teams ne be cost se be that so e as in Ghana case ne dia 11 wonders any team or that so so timi kam e Premier League me no kwan se Yakobo Division 1 playoff bia na the team bi esan be shame but any Ghana Football Association shisha womo e de abano no bi soccer team no Black Sharks for officially almost start residential campaign our hesna assistant si kwa e pram Ghana Masoka Center of Excellence in Jimbo bi na we AFCON qualifiers a omne Egypt e de be pem so yame atoma memeda ana sakins kesi e be baso
residential campaign na hyase e na wotwe wie ye amrantie ye duonu mienu ni nyina wo pram Ghana Beach Soccer Black Sharks meme dai enimu yi wo mo depemfo wo mo free Egypt ena de bepomu a eno ye Beach Soccer AFCON no qualifiers ne mu baako Ghana hwani mu so beti nkunim ya kesi etosu mienu no wakọ Egypt ahinkro Cairo wasa kwetwa fa Egypt fo yi so eno nti ahosiesie no na wotwe twato no ena asimu yi coach Daniel Cote so ware hyemu awon mranti.
Okay, well, we start preparation since from last week. Things are moving on fine. We get a team 22-man squad. We are training. We're preparing for the match.
And the Black Sharks of Ghana, one more campaign, pram. But also Black Stars of Ghana, they are mobile. One team called pram. So there be Black Sharks in the Empuano and Umudi agro into the uncle pram. Na nyanya chire ma nye bibia. Nti yenkom hwese na ma city a na ese na ntu mesre bokra no World Athletics Championship. Course wo United States of America na Oregon ana sajmedi kese ne 18 out of fm na Ghana ya no dem se nyame adoma bibia betia sa kwedi ama sanse Benjamin Kwaku Azamate ono ye Ghanaian athlete otia buchi ku school no sa etumi kabrane e de ma oman Ghana na so na no ada Benjamin Kwaku Azamate ene Joseph Polamo a omu feli so be make list no of the athletics qualifier and we semi-final of the 100 meters World Athletics Championship between Santuja, Nyama and Renese, and the Magana Formula team, Benjamin Kwaku Azamate, and Joseph Paul Amwa. And Benjamin Azamate and after Joseph Paul Amwa, Umina Buchin Kola, Kusku Abuchi, na Oma enemy only mechanic to Moha, na Omakasa, the Tinto Mumpunka Kasa, and Gani, whom some yadi, and then I perform so Mekumi Cabrane from Magana, World Athletics Championship, US for Buano, Ubuakra. US for the main and the A2 they cannot Ghana for now. With him some Pomon campaign, a casse, a ridiculous cabit and Becatasso, a diamond, a best banning and paying for say, some go for Ghana for this year, Omujina Mudema Ghana, and show me in terms of preparation on Konya Basse, Kobase, the Maniche, a world competitions, BC and our platforms, BC Swa, on Betty and Chumbo Bredia, my Ghana name. Say Ghana, the uncle Baubucha, a bed and say, a Juma Kubina Ukruma, the Resin Mexico Sabuchi Foma. And then the also a chombo brepa Benjamin Azamatiko Koko Presek, Unimadi Bruta, and a school of Bucha, or no, it to be Kadama, but an idiot as I ran a sentient or funny books view. Now, wait me at was so Eddie Mai. One expert I've always told you that betting is better than Sakawa, better, and also my intent, so I now be a bonnet dance. The cell, or more than Dawina also writing for last in a gusso. They trying to be for letting before no more, or better for Junica cartoon. Don't bet with money that you can afford to lose. The cano. Say, oh, share a hard and find trouble in Sadia, or so everything aside. Greediness is selfishness, and nothing Sukrano, a witchcraft and society. Tibomodianda say, Opa bet, ya, we nature, a 1S bet. After Jeffas, Mr. Dui, a boy Jumapa. Infections, I will be a T to be a Mansanka Jeffas, and also beating Abua. Selling more gel and roll on, your ultimate pain relieving gel. Said, drawing a big disaster, who to join him upon our poswa. Ya dear be a 2 assist home, a bomb and Yama 8 me to 2 year the mouth. More than that, sort of question my main market, and I fit them also. And you know, over from 020-898-6731. Now, only Sedimo gel and roll on. Yan train commodium 1 man, 8 queen for mount. Mount for a share of Facebook and so, when you too. Me at the map in Yadaje, Nasakania Gusu Mifia, making kind of the essay de Bano. Yes, Sandy Ejamo, among sending my sequel. Within the Professor Ikiwalas, a good year catch back who paid the only nomenclature of Professor's Green Sports. And I'm generally, of course, evidence based sports and teaching it me down. I didn't any man on your casino if you be in the Sunni fan could be in the soul. Miss Sudi, and said Boatma, and in terms of entertainment, or then Kumopai went there, near Chehon, near Sound, near Hatana Risse, near the Bro, amo se na nema esi ekoso amo afide ne nko ba bia mane nkoso na Adom TV so Adom TV so bedwendwumedie so and as packages so ina ewo. The act of being a good guest is to know to say goodbye.
Have a song called about a pet Jumezido oil some for Mammy Puatima, the Fantido president for the Brothers and Sisters Association. And I pay minimum about Mamma can there suffer nyame who there on board. Na say, oh yeah, a joint nyame narankasa nepa. Say you underline word on what's the so oh yeah, nyame nepa. Oh. Bibia be fine. Bibia be pe. Into no akwa song ko zaba and se pe dwumedira nyimba ya adwende say urban entertainment ho nkomoza na number 1 on nye heyara ntino ayaz papa de etune in na ne pay say mrobo amanzieza orokojo entertainment world honumza no ma minken sure de oye weekend ye honoma de hu de Kent University why tweet bi na poster na why social media no na za wo hwe wa chere nyanya de oya za popular afrobeat artist bi free Nigeria wakoje honorary doctorate na honorary doctorate no sisi ala mecha de say raba no say eba friend doctor ye the doctor baka nizinu no ho na oye hwana na American asemi raba Tiwa Savage wow Tiwa wow into no poncho sisi ara de say epedefre Tiwa Savage o say there's a doctor as a can doctor Tiwa Savage na yenya nte de Kent University honum no oyaza okọ kakra before starting the career no now or university no honum na say we na we years well but my enya ntenye na ehu erihwe manyim enko school hwemanyim ehu inte no wo kire ma e musicians wo krom ha de won je ntokwa no ko wo fo ntokwa no ntu bebi na cha me pede etete ya nya na nka warje jeje onri sikra na ehu won je me into no wo ma yen hwe video of Tiwa Savage origin honorary doctorate.
I present Tiwa Savage to be admitted the degree.
To me, I admit you to the degree of Doctor of Music honoris causa with great pleasure.
You know, Dr. Tiwa Savage, why a doctor of music, say she post na university for way and I watch super proud. We're very super proud of her. You know, Mamusha Tiwa. Oh, okay. Into university, no one is there in the way I want tweet. You also congratulations to Dr. Tiwa Savage. We are super proud to have awarded the Queen of Afrobeat an honorary doctorate at Canterbury Cathedral this morning. Into hashtag made in Kent, hashtag Kent Grat. Into Tiwa Savage, beautiful smile. That's so white, the man was aji doctorate. Into my share some of the comments are okay, yes, can I share Tiwa Savage now there's a new poster now so yeah. Yes, can I show no? Into no video or ye, or could you no dasi? Tiwa Savage, Bray, but can you actually?
What up, class 2022? This is Dr. Tiwa Savage, and I just want to say a huge congratulations to all of you. Well done. I'm super proud, and I want you to go out there, have fun, kill it, be the best you that you can be because you truly deserve it. Well done. Yo, what up, class?
Okay. It's no Tiwa, Dr. Tiwa Savage. Now, Mopocho, most my orchestra softly, and Pocho on Godam, there be on Godam. Now say ya no ye, and you can talk our saloon. Say. Aha, what can talk on Pocho on go. Now say now why the weekend, the Muhunde na why a story. Na Ochilma Wauba and beautiful baby girl. On the 19th of April, I was a cloud of pictures. I was going to be said, I'm time on you to work on no news and but only another topic for another day. The best day. Now, Matthew, and you may imagine the weekend now or a very big weekend or Ghana or Sunday NPP for no way delegate on politics and some the baby or Chroma Day. Say, actually, what's my phone who troll John Buedra, eh? And a pen for me, sure there was a living promotion of Michiano song. Aye. Bibia be fine. Why ya be pa? Bibia be fine. FBS. Obo pwe mo wo fi hade on daybreak hits. Na some force to to na no ebeke de. During elections time no we endorse John Dramani Mahama. Nti no ye guda ye bisa. Wono me we endorse wo ba da here me be so kwoto amba no. Oguda wo gina be mo wo gina another was suppose. Nti no FBS wo man answer.
Mahama before.
Okay. Any regrets for that?
No, never. No. Mahama is a brother, he's a father. No. You see, if we had a rapport with him, so due to that, that's why we jump into politics at that time, because Mahama is a man.
Yeah.
Well, you meet him one-on-one.
Well, from the look of things, he will be standing for president in 2024.
We wish him good luck. We are ready.
Will you be supporting him as well?
We support positivity. Yeah. You understand? We support positivity. If MPP were to be doing better and they bring good thing and they want our assistance, as it's a job. Nobody calls you for your job and you say you're not going to do it. You will. Because you're going to get a paid out of it. But we just don't do things that we know, even if you're going to get paid, that is not going to lead us somewhere. Like maybe tomorrow you'll be regretting why you did it. You get it?
Yeah.
We will do it if the money is good.
Let me tell you honestly, we are not into it. He called us, Charlie, are you in town? Come and greet me. We just went there, we didn't have something. We ate, when finished, then he dashed us something. That's the truth.
Okay.
It's not like he pay us to do something. So it's
So it's not like he negotiated or anything.
When we see what he
But the envelope was heavy.
Yes, it was heavy. It was cake. So we were like, okay, let's
okay.
And I work I call me man.
You Tamian Zebono and now Waba Bobo Honamez and ABS were children one switch camp. Baby ma wojina na no wojina. Na waso ebe general hani jina na say and I yet one bow chrome ha where share results no na well. Okay? But everywhere. Fear delegates who come na weekend yelidi. But I'm in Penamoko baby. To know Mammy Fu Honum Nami to find America. Young America crony muhonum. Now America Cronum Honum Abasamesi Honum, Yenyan the American rapper and isn't the same Kodak Black no Watcher no I bring table no ningy. Nay, you know, oye. But I may do the session anymore. Watcher no. Now Abazono, what's the son or traffic drugs. Now weekend a big show because UK. Big show because UK. Now Ghanaian artists were full stage okay the cigarettes just before the performance what watching. You are pulling him down. Now so what was that? What was that? Captured on camera. Yachino down flat. What was this? Another interview so back on shoulder. The was being put as all phone cigarettes and the weed on portrait debbie. Mr. What is this? Into Ibini, my phone to your way. Your cashier, Channel, Chrome Hound, portrait, one phone to awful. Kodak Black, Yanyan and say the watcher. Now, outside the police phone, where smart pal. What's that? The car reeked. Actually, statement. What's the car reeked of drugs? Now, how does a car reek? It's no police intelligence na wo soro no mu na watching no was no boko court zo boko du biara no mama hona so ate well yen firi ho na yen to yedo na muhunum video bi on social media video no oya ma hom to kakra before mo bo ho nkomo no a wo hwe video no ai but wonyo ho akohoma picture ehu yo no one shot picture ne one shot picture no na mopocho you know question that what is going on here abaz no sha one oyade ehu na makana mu bo bazina won mamukwana but mochok because minim gospel musician bi minim a very popular gospel musician oshebi inte no say erehwe infoni na ahwene ya erabe into fake ass o say ehwe picture yo zikani a na oziboduru ha ochira dem yo mate no so wanyanko na mi fancy ha dey na meni abrantie baby robotwetwe nkomo na abrantie ba na me robotwetwe nkomo no oye musician obono homozen papa izina na mama na papa was to no na oye Bismarck boache na la why no din no boabes why izina no boabes na abrantie be ameka na say me Cape Coast na oye no nyom na oye very good into no me pede izinka na ehwe no nyum bia ozaba botu dwa fofo kra first time yero bono on air na me premier music video no o wa hade na me na hwetwe nkomo niemu odin nti no boabes na nyom no won fan todo uma nti no boabes na nyom foforo kra matwa no foforo kra oh ahu se page mezedo soulmate na ma bo kakra mato na o zoom nti no mepede menye na bo twetwe anwumi hu nkomo kakra boabes and the pay say etemanka good morning Boabes, good morning. Pocho on mute ho I had make kasa mente on mute ho mam na yen twetwe nkomo an pay on mute ho baby ma was red gown no for second po for second on mute ho na yen kasa on mute ho na yen kasa an pay oh dread no I me fe pa nti no on mute ho na yen twetwe nkomo nti no they all try the all mute no ho no Bismarck kobna boachi Adom na nizono ote nanso no we twa ne sin why na boa besoza ama he na abrantie be oyaze papa oya onye enyum tofu bebre we omilton ho good morning na mo pocho na pe wapo me
pacho nyame adom boko we
nyame adom ma so mu hu ye papa na enyum nzo ho nkomo kakra soulmate inya inspiration free him for storyline and that's done.
Okay, me da wasi be brace wa me opportunity say me ne Ghana phone to komo. Adom TV dey a big platform. Ti me da obi ase. Na me da mo so ase say mama this opportunity. You can so meet say we need to say nipa bia wa kuma so ade ne dey one pie boy can we do wa ware mre so say obi nya Oba no be ma on the bebobra. Inti me nyame inspiration from say nipa bia nyame betimi ama o ho kani a on the bebobra. Yeah. Okay. And then I got that inspiration from that.
Okay. Now music video don't so OFL papa. Now you want to share more?
Device keys.
Oh, okay.
Device. Yeah.
What trying to hear for our Ghana hey?
Pachi Chawakra.
Oh, okay.
Ichawa North Legon, Legon Gardens, any around.
Oh, okay. OFA. Papa. Now, my yenzo come over who career no kakra. How many years in ye?
Oh, my Misha's yacho na. As I'm any amani intina.
Oh, indeed.
Misha's yache pa. Oshekra. My course sound splash music before.
Yeah.
But as a school sermon so nini amabinti na say at the point no ya pause na ya ko school we ko university we
okay
nti see anu de Nyame adumenya management bi almost so ma management. We are taking it from here.
Okay. Now a Casafa school ho me uda ida me become graduate ana.
But you said it na.
Na enfanye adwuma anyum na be ye.
Oh, that enyum so ye adwuma pa adwuma enye apart from say me talent and me to nyum no. Enyum so ye adwuma showbiz business no so ye adwuma Sinyame ama wa chede say wetimi ato nyuma wetimi tro nyuma wetimi take advantage na we dey didi.
Okay. International ma full time music na area CCR.
For now.
Okay. Now eba industry ni mono so no reception it then.
Oh, enough for more. Enough for but ni nyina isika. Nyame bo na ambre so umenya bo afu bi so nti it's just a matter of time.
Okay.
Especially so we na beginning no bibia nkuyi na say obrehuma na odi bibia shinyame sa. The time will come, opportunities will come begging.
Okay. Nti musicians be you look up to pede bia you want your collaborations be na na.
Oh, this year I'm hoping nti obi a opeso on me adwuma bia me ho. Na me so afina this year me rem do na I say underground artist but this year na about mainstream media. Any artist bia ya menim ye adwuma ebeboa me ma come anim no. Okay. For now no there central region we are taking over especially Chufo Praso where my fan base is. Cape Coast, Chufo Praso and around. Yeah, taking the world by storm. We are taking over Ghana.
Nine. Men you we are doing papa.
So
ma obe wala sha. We represent large. We represent large okra. Into no wabes. Nyumo no soulmates no say ye pede ye te ni bi o ma hemfa na ye benya nyumo no.
It's all over on the internet. All the digital stores. Boomplay, Spotify, even on normal we say when you call now Boabisa, we share Boabisa. And now the Boabiso meter is all over with me download it for free.
Okay. Yeah. Okay. Me pay for free na ken pa. Into no bo social media handles na my so be pay do follow.
Bibia Boabis music. Oba me YouTuber. Oba Facebook ni na Boabis music and Abrantie Boabis o search me me no follow me na afi what do support amame. Okay. Especially central region and especially Chufo Praso where my fan base is me omunyina fan pipe on tamechi. Okay. Baby I do there. Sisi ane there. Nyankopon kwa na bi obeka se there bi. Na Nyankopon so asan stamp so no there. Eno ano no.
Me peze ken pa yezin pa bobeta wechi na za yebotumi ayeza push bia no so ye be ye nyame show bebre da na pay enye na twetwe nkomo afa wonyom no ho soulmate na oye nyom no me pede yesa na ye enjoy ye nyom ni bio because nyom no oye kama papa na so no mame care there boy be so baba ho sepe extra nti ni we gudu ayerehwe no se pede huni ye ya e be hye no wo sepe extra do nti no boy be soulmate nyom no once an hour enjoy. Wabes, Nenyom soulmates, and a mama enjoy Kakana, and you come up, no, what's there? Platforms Nina do echo, na ebo, Wabes soulmate, and you know, Baba, now I enjoy you, be papa. Meza was a page, Mezano, me the best he had, now so no, answer, I'm most sorry, Marcono. Opo Chelsea Nyaku Kudra, there be men were artists. Inyaku Kudra men were artists, make care pa the 10:30. Miss V 10:30 I say na Miss V no nye Stone Boy I saw be pa what to do was thing na hwenchu bi okodo na se beso hwehwe na Gucci na party I say the same Stone Boy erabe bi so free him for no botwutwu na kakra ho kakra na wa ye nkomo go social media no me hu akuri bi nso hey Adenkule God take it easy on us we beg you many on behalf of all the Simi fans have mercy on us. More sorry, the Mama Ashe, and also no, isn't it? Mami Badwam, the Fantido, President for the Brothers and Sisters Association. One more baby so much in Nara. Yami Isha won't be brave. Press Lana, my name producer, Masordo.
yeshia ewo efisem enkomotwetwe so na ewiase aye bae ya no pay owura ni take tegwasem okan no ode kwa adwendwemu abehu se ehu hia efise enye ni pedua na saredie yi nko ano na ehia siesie okra tu mu no sunsum no so hia siesie wo bra wo kakasa pa bi akire no na wo ye na ye pa bi nso ede akire no na bema oni pamua no watumi ehu se meniche na mewa hoto nyasa wo de die fe no ma honam ne nko a ebe wiase no de ati mu aye okra na osunsum no na osi apini eba ne sanso a o sekora mfataw ase laboro no so na wa na akotoe ene me pesa me kire nyanse ye ba bedi nkomo e de afa ye honhom ene ye sunsum eho adwuma ekwan ye befa so no so ye bema ye ni akohonte anopai ora ni tekotego ye da sepa odi ka prakwam ewo eno ho e de amaye dada na afei mene prophet Benjamin Fojo enso ebedisa enkomo enemo mboa me na yemfa na asiema sa nwumeko yansa C4C semen control se uwe ni so ade ho ne se adokotafo bo ho no ma show mu fita no na o ma de bi ni dom kom no de aye o mu de si ho no de show masum no wani chi ho na so boafo ne hwan akwanya no so kra akwa akofa ne he ana no ayi maths ne science ne ayi English no o feli te se me entisa akwanya ekura no amada ye so no mem so ho C4C se enwe ho o de bra diploma any degree no odo be fa santete amasa ene suade ho no etumi abem e de ama ne hia no se obefre 0201 552885 and also obeko www.c4chmc.com na wenya sa akwanya no ebi DBS nso samen control se ene D4 krate he na me de to nanim asondan no se de nyame aye adom a enipa ba mu wo hu edu ne moso na maboso dada kra ache nkoto DBS nchense na muntu so na afei mommoso foforo bo sa asondan no so e fa atwe akra o because say obi a self contain mu atena ye pesa asondan bi no a ukom grass nyame nim no eti de pesa bi tre nyina na se nyame aye wadom na wodan no eduru ne moso a eye DBS for omo hunim de e won chance so ye papa enimdifo nyina agya tum se e nokre e enchansen papa entifre won fa 0543286637 anase 0577619102 won kasa be ko ba bia dan no wosi no omo de omani akokari na omo hu se enchansen we color we dodo sei ene beboa enchansen de bodan so de inside DBS ho na nkonkoso eno eye de anope me kanfo e de ama TV hwe na say aya ahum kan say ye nkwa fichire ho nkochimpo ena obi ti inside no obi judge eye o tim kakra eye o de bi wasase no eye twam HD plus decoder darumenti ama TV hwe na ye kama enya afi na upo no pempro na wu na kwa kobua debi unya HD plus decoder ne bia na ye dekora ne say eyi ba ko ye omde abai omso ye mo friend USB flash so the shed chenya e bia wo hwe afisemi umonse wadwuma mra ya so ebe pause na sa recordo eti wo ba bibia wanya hwe bia no wotimi sa hwe na wo mpe we ya de wan bio na pe Maosanka HD plus decoder wo fie na o TV hwe enye de nye sa obi tobiwa obane be ko ne fie akohwe o wo yire so di akire kohwe a ene akire asam no de maka ne ya akire enti no yare ade achi ni pantiapo baby ba ko awo kwa ye de haban ene abefo esa yare no eye Grace Gift Herbal Clinic na Grace Gift Herbal Clinic say yare bi e ha obia wo de fabra na emom odenyankopon esuro mechire nyamesuro ene nyankopon mobro hu ka no krachro say se wanya kwata ene anifraye na sesa ya de no e de 15 years wo so a emma if you say no de nyame amfa ehho ayaresa adom anomo adwumaku ka no krese wo nkoho na he na abekọ wo de kọ no obi nko no bibi ngu botoro bi mfa ma anom na wu ne koda eti eno ho asem eno no enti fra wo fa sa numbers yi so ne kona koje wapomoden eye 0244126123 and 0246518003 Grace Gift Herbal Clinic ebe sawyare afa yemra yenkomo chichie ne so odi fom pacho nyame asumdwe nkan so na masore mo chia sen asumdwe oh ene metwa wo hu oh okay no waje so sen
ye jape
de ejape asumje ejape oh pacho ne asumje
ejape
jo ye da sesa no pe odi asumje abraye ye hye na wochofo frokrasi mani asopa nyame sha na asori ne di no e de Damascus Christian Church International asori mi ni bebia o mi ko bi da but mate Damascus wa sempen wo kyerosem se na so gene hodi na so da ko bi wa kwantimfi wo Damascus kwam no Onyankopon kire so se mini nyankopon na gyansem hu no mini nyankopon ti so gyansem hu no e ma so beda na po odifo nya san na wo kire
no
it's that to say ye ka Damascus ho asem na say ye nkoma ye die so efa redefining human destiny esem no kreatia because Damascus ko mu na eyi so ne shebrese san na obeye po dwumede be na wodi befo
me da se yagobo shobia
amen amen
and to go being so good yagobo my kwanya say any program in this month on the 29th to the 31st of July now what we yagobo so the opportunity put me etni
okay
in other words God wants men to excel in glory
no cre
because they be say Christianity without results is only a blasphemy to God's name. And you know, people must walk in that glory at which God wants to excel in sanity. Adom, July 29th, July 30th, July 31st.
Okay.
Yeshawa Krahase of the Kaswa Road, which is also West was Mono, Malcolm Eben, opposite on us in the wall.
Oh, okay.
God being so good.
And then answer Jumedie. But also 29, 30
Friday near all night. Saturday and also afternoon service.
Okay.
Sunday so you mess up.
Okay. Me wanka me wo disco bi kwa anka mesan. Na makobi de trese ti asori ne din Damascus Christian Church International. And adwumadie na nkasa so a omo de ne redefining human destiny. Wonim trese mu pa because so here dey see Damascus kwa so na ye kwa redefine ye shebra na sajumede fa ho ehembi na entumi emwa na we no ejumede bia nipekuo bi pote na eba na obi etumi be bia na ne wasafo manko a
patch there be as an open invitation to everyone obi atimi baby unzo yakopon there oba no one meje only one group of people obeji obi a enti yakopon ka kire say it is that time when men must come into the light.
Okay. And I know trust say yabes bompa e bi say Erade yesi me din ne yawdie nti dia na me di yaw sesam shebre wodo ho gimu a ka bia nya me be hia wo na wa wo ye yabes no din asesa na uko school
patcha me ko school
no so for na sa ko school so mi asafo ma ho adaje we are saying
it's patcha me Ghana hasi
okay
patcha me Belgium and I got being so good me father say bishop one bishop of Damascus
Christian
Church and when I share Europe branch so we share the whole general branch
ati banana say dwumade we no
na come once in a year
yo Belgium there wo de agudie kakra bai yes Holland ntuma so wo ho pa wo de bi bai o nti aso asafo man benya kakra eti na okoje mpa bo asesa asebre no na Belgium ngosra no so ebi etumi aye o chefa odifo ye da wase wo hu ne ye de nkomo no asi ha na mumu no waka dada se esese du ba bi a shebre no etumi esesa ye bei ye beto waye ne hanki ye mo aye ho anase we ne ye ne ehia
so we are not coming with anything so I believe in the power of prayer. Upon there or the to me I share Christopher Num.
Okay.
Say whatever you say with your mouth and you believe in your heart God will bring it to pass. Sanity. It's and you find out
okay. Sure say or the makwa.
With that quote, I strongly believe there should be a deeper understanding on that. People translate what they hear into something they can understand.
No correct.
Just as the way I work and you see, you are speaking from experience. Obi onyanti asiye yet. And you said trust them can see. But what came before the quotation, after the quotation. What you see? So this is not a way to materialize money from people. But a part that say you are coming because operation coupon John.
Okay. Ya ti asiye. Na ade ba kwa ya tene say wodwumade mu na bekwa ma mabunu pa fi se wankasa crowd to he ye babunu na asofo nkokora no kra yesi na fomu sisters ni mothers ni ha umpa eti udinya misro ni no kra ka se oye sofo abrantie se adwuma ne te se na be hye unua babunu te se onso nkran wadwuma
like I said program dey both from telephone and young adults no na area said I believe say you are discipline
Anything you want to achieve in life, be a nice discipline. Let him say, Juma, we say, Uni bu emanyankopon, ube live in here. Because Juma, you are reflecting God on earth. And you are Juma.
Okay.
And rather me preaching, I'm catch up say, we are so
what's near me the Pama Nesuka Kramame? It's the yes, so for we are reflecting God. Because Bible say most Kranetiko who is so who no ja. So be a hunyameda.
So what can say all the page one there asmato.
Okay.
Exactly.
Okay.
It's it's a bit difficult, but I believe say I was a man to me a discipline. Sanity.
Nti ewia se abrabo aye bonya sofodie nko. Bibia ya hohyeso.
Unse anti me ka say me dey be say the fact say unjina pulpitechi doesn't mean only sofo. The Bible says say we've been exalted into priesthood like Christ. Into bia odin kopon di bia you a pastor.
Okay.
Sanity.
Okay.
It one way or the other no life a message MOB. It I might not stand behind the pulpit to preach, but it be a menchia with somebody and say a message.
One no kasa. One no kasa. Say the ojinipa. Say the foul. Say the ye wadie. Where did you cry?
Everything, because you are speaking about Christ in your life. Sanity.
Eti my addition be say ye train wo kwasi adadru ho aye kwasore nkuna. Esese ye dani ye bie di kokotokoto sofo ne sofo maame de kire say ye Christopher Debi. Nemu baby aye nambia no.
Unse amount for being say Christianity we know. You can pretend to be something you are not. Very possible say obetimi who be no pretending in a way and how be until you decide not to obekona yankopon yo and yankopon no show su at the same time so show come
okay
so I believe say every day a message movie.
I see. In fact asori na na yasa say no 29th, 30th, 31st ni no but se utie odifo Benjamin Fodjoa me did say sorry nana washa se no in fact ene yen komo no ora ni tekotego bi sa bo odi bi wo sha se anope wo hu efotu sem ode ma yen ne say o sorry akasempa ma ho asempa no so ka bi kire obi efi se o kama nko aho na obi enya susunsu aso papa wankasa so bebre e na afi so ma yen siesie wedie no nko afefefe fi se wo mo yesa no da bia be hia no e kama na so okra ne hohom atini mu no wo bre because onye ebi no be ka to see eti yesu ni ye ban na to say okwa sorry cry a friend said Damascus Christian Church International. And yes, I said, be collection the bejo because we are seeing nipa cry theatre. And to cross them say, yeah, condens upon him, feel grand condens upon him. Name when I say, Bia, ye hear some, but yes, I do for a we are sent church entity. And not necessary 29th, 30th, 31st, no, or the when it's Pacho sorry in the war.
Pacho off Castle Road.
Off Castle Road.
West Hills Mall.
Okay.
Now come opposite.
Joe, would the eye na West Hills Mall no crab by no. Uncle shopping hoda. Malcolm, you what a say branch or who hoda or the eye na oko. Now so kwakoye on cra and on kwaje.
And not to cut you short. Yeah, well, I think about 15 buses.
Oh, okay. I best sound grow for. And you lorry fair excuse ourselves. But your buses in the best Jason.
So far, there were so many places. Accra, say, Bejina Dansoman, Bejina La Pass. So if they go through my Facebook channel now, Prophet Benjamin Fodjoa, they will see.
But your Facebook name
Prophet Benjamin Fodjoa.
Okay.
Who say all the details in the wall. Jomo Dansoman, La Paz, name it. Labadi, Teshi.
Obia Benya can be a fool. It's one
for all the 3 days.
Moje sorry for collection. Now mo dey adwen omo ho say ye fa mo bus because obi o ha onya sorry obeko. But was say collection obeto ne ka obefo anu apene baby atena. Ti mo ma sorry ko so abamfa so. Oh, in fact, it's uzane excuse. So obeka say, oh na me ni lorry fare and na me ni collection ene nyame nkohia na baby a ehoye Damascus dey. Bible say so no yen semonen. Na so Damascus kwan mu no nyame kire ne say krache gina ha na me ni yakopon so say eyi apam foforo no New Testament hwe ne de edo so nti ne ka say Paul amantem no enti ye da sepa asori ne din no nko anti me de menyam arehyimu mfa ho so ye difo but asori ne din nko anti be gidi sesa na obi so enya ne mu enjide but Facebook no ye ka say no obi a wo hwehwe nyankopon pa ma na sesa ne sebre se ya bes no Facebook no kro onim de ye no ho bi kra na oni akenkan e bi kra wa ho kire mama phone e de ko Facebook no kro ni bi pacho e ba na say e be frɛ no number bi wo ho.
So I think say we would drop the numbers in our comment section. Na the people can chat to us.
Mate inti pacho odifo Benjamin Fojo, Prophet Benjamin Fojo odema obi hwehwe den ya nyame adom abusuan mu nyese de kra ba ko video ni makenkan nim kyro onko Facebook no hwehwe Prophet Benjamin Fojo asori ni din ye Damascus Christian Church International na won fa numbers no e wo ho ma na afi wo bibia na webisa ho asem na nsajumedie fa wo ho ehyemu bi na entumi emmoa odifo mpacha no pay menu ahefo ye da wase no na de asem ba ko bi twa to ejaye
enti pacho ma men kan say we are eti won must study one thing about Ghana and about the Christians here. Among for Bebrina and how God wants to operate. So you were a system through which God must work through to bless us. But in young coming to the light of how God wants us to do things. In what sense?
No cray.
No cray. Into Udilia, you don't know who has the key to your tomorrow.
No cray.
I'm telling you.
What drop a bomb? You don't know who has a key to your tomorrow. Wow.
Say ye fele say Christosomo and no one say what cause where come on. But if you go deeper in God, now deeper than that. In what essence? Nankopon say out of all the commandments or the man, also love is the greatest.
Young Kabio. Onyame yodo. John 3:16 betre wase. Onyame yodo. Ye hu nyame da. Na so ye do nyame. Na so ye tan nipa. But your tomorrow key no. Wo nipa bi nsam. Jai mana mo de kwaso dem ye ko twabo nsam ma ko hurihuri ni ade ade eye e ka Christosum ho but direction no aya na e wo ho na wonye hu ko Damascus Christian Church International na sa dwumade we die na nsa no anya hwekura mu ba ko die me ne Franka Sempa beba Uni Franka Sempa uni mu no obe ho no me ne beba pacho ye dase ya me shao dase pa busia for me ne odifo Benjamin Fojo enkomo twetwe no ha na me de AC me de si henso na kwasinsia e de mpensem mu ebro me de inde ma me chira Diamond. Good morning.
Yes, I'm going to akwa baby and fan as I can say enkoma mama chira Diamond say ode efisem ebreye Professor Ike Walanyo Wallace so de agudi musem ebre no watwe abosa abre free sabre kopin say no nkru bebo de eye pensem ebre on Badwam ye wo Adom TV meeting de akwasi ensi abadwafo atinkonya e babedi enkomo e de afa omai enkanko ene ne mpontuo eho we can say efiti na no fiada ye twam ibesi na nura kwasiada so ena NPP amyoko ekọ abato so ko yi won panifo ebeda amyoko na no emfinhia na ya ediomo enim ekowechi won ebete ahwe ete ehwe the biggest shock the general secretary of the NPP position dibre eno semro ka say John Boadu Elozi 2 Justin Frimpong Kojia Amanfo outline 5 reasons in tia ema John Boadu Elozi ye ebi mu kra cheche mu se MPs ne kra no montai John Boadu echi ensem bebre ye bedi eho enkoba no che ndura mampenda da John Dramani mama so ene minority side ye wo mahwedwe fiem eko workshop bi na dwumedi na so de akwa kotodwa ese Dr. Alhaj Mahmoud Baomia the rate at which your person will blame the administration for my Ghana a cast abre ye ko ene IMF ye ko no ensem fata enkyere kanidie honhom omonyentumu sampa omoka omiti na Ghana bedu pempenso a yaba ababedu weni komanda no pay yeba ababedu join live on Facebook Adom TV so na YouTube so ye Adom TV ye oja comment and oh abejafo no pay no babedi enkomo ye mi aka sabe ya David Sopoku ansa MP ede ma de hyewo emprice OPK na yeta ede FS so na Ora Peter Kwache Akwa MP for Amenfi Central abato empesua so ebe fo boko de
boko minia
media nya boko
ade de na esi onabo
o odi tia
de na aba
de na do aban di akosi ahokyere kekraka ban me fifie bakura me say me nua jai petro na fe de say o ma sa de bibia hyemu this person the boy edin no umia o car no so na sa
ebi enya o car na watoka papa e no fu enti
na so ben MP
opike
oi muna mama adwuma no kra na sisi amanfo di atem uti chefitire ya o ba ukita V8 vum na uti aso na wo de ba V8
oh yeah
V8 na o de di traffic mo o petrol na be
pike ma menka
so
me say all things be equal
na mo di na traffic mo P NDC
ni V8 ni kura me ni
uni V8
ni V8 ni
ada wa anyi bi
hwe me car is your pickup ya bi anyi V8 na ayede no akase ya V8 onu agi V8 wuto car ni e ba o loan na o dia to
loan na
loan na so waje
enye Ghana ni bi na nya sa soft loan
ukase waje dia na yese waje car
enye Ghana ni bi na nya sa soft loan ni bi
intra me catch say enkase waje wo ja esa dia bi ade chew na woje kase bia wan to V8 no ukofi a pick up ni si o pick up fian bi ni si ho wa mama nka ho kire na aba me so ama obisa
ba mo cheze ba be hye
so bisa am say say na me say me
ti me enfa no me hye mampenda da adwuma ha ma
okay
okay me da say ba me say for flow pick because e NPP OBK from Saturday to Sunday mo leadership yem say baby ansaye kakra ba ye baby e ba ye national chairman general secretary for example general secretary Breno as a member of parliament na young one
oh na nyame one bebre me they didn't kai ma menchia ahwefo nyina the ticho ne one more hweme from in price so the chair wo nyina me gidi pa se nyina ya party no ekosi ye no nyina ya se bio de kan ko bebre party no
okay
yes breaking the eight na enra and on Saturday decision at MPP for take for me is the best decision ever on my take ni teacher ni Steven Ayesun team
okay
obia for 20 years wa president obey a national chairman of the MPP delegate who say afi bibi woni mu de wabom wa so person the chair party no ye man akwanya no me some party no ne yenhwe de obetimi aye especially moving into a critical election like 2024 no uhia obi a ono e was zero no are determined say we sigina ye so person ye national chairman na in team character ni obi a party ni here at this point because onye Bruni Beka push over onye obi a se bio obetimi atoto ne se ode na kotoa no ti here national chairman a obey neutral especially moving into the presidential primaries no or neutral the obedin kunim no na wetimi aka ye nyina abum and that is the kind of leadership in team brings on board me there we share right Justin Kodua young man lawyer ni sabio trust a party for ndiashe ni mono mestre so onso mudi na on trepe fisher he is the chief executive of the party me campaign my ebipe sabio ja kwabrange pon pe general secretary me na eko Ghana nyina na me campaign coordinator eti minim how these things work me na ejuma party office the here partner say we should be firm presidential parliamentary primaries yema party mrano enye ejuma sabio obi ko diboni na yesi we dey we nipa na ya suspend no we dey we nipa na ya jai no that practice no must stop in MPP and then rano we share the language of the delegates now they were sending a message say omo mpenyi mu omo pesi na ebe kai ho abomu na etima ye adwuma together
na also your delegate na was a sense ni bi that sense of feeling no as yempe obi a obeye yimu yempe obi ye enhwani mu
me obi anim in MPP everybody knows say asem at the house I will say it
okay
and on several occasions and several forums no I've questioned why say Argentina nkrofobi wo ha e betimi suspend wo mo na bi so wo ha ye jai wo mo so that say o ye nsa it sends a wrong signal to the base of the party say I say the leadership is trying to say oh chim nkrofobi nsa anase o ye nsa emwa my own video be some of the delegates no sentiments are almost canon. Clearly it is along those lines.
So it means not John Wood war office no, as a member of parliament.
Want to,
oh yeah, and yet or no as a person.
I don't want to personalize.
But the administration now we say there was a challenge be no a partnership address
Yeah, of course. I mean Ebini say regional 15 regional chairman. Na ya koye press conference near my answer to say yenko to abam enkoma Jombodu say and Justin Korea na general secretary. And the general secretary works with the regional chairman. Sure. So that's it. So we need to stop these things. Na impenifobi tibebi also we na get declare man say no. Those who determine a party impenifor no omo etuaba no. They are the grassroots. Okay. General no. It was a clear message say what's in crime? We say a party penny, we a MP, we a minister, now you're to Obama, and you think you can shape the direction of this party. No, you won't. The spirit of MPP now, they take a decision at the appropriate time. Decision beyond be taken biano. And you know so
okay.
Soon territory.
Okay.
It could be a party soon at the time a man for Susa. Soon ni tanaki onko na adwuma na omo party no asie na o de ye be general secretary no you should exhibit those same characters.
Okay.
So you enkase o me chinche on famra no meto there be but say nipa no o police station officer na hu na obu a o de be ma say be president and o de be ma minister and o de be ma MP no former police station officer no so that say former no o de manual nipa no onu na eduma kese ne dan so me MP
yeah
say be about to draw me nim da picture so but nipa e koye eduma na mame no ene e bia adwaje pomo bia oti adoso constituency adoso polling station ana say kofi usu omo egu kofi usu ene sukwa kese they are those who matter in the MPP. So our focus no should be on them.
Okay.
Opportunity be about yeah from grassroots for no.
And no chairman want to me ejina ne nwanam 15 regional chairman na omo declare omo support the ma John Bodu ewo Justin Kodua party we na sese omo panacho. Ni esi no.
Me say a chopa. I mean it is a political party. Obia a choice. Nemum Jamaican say oh you leader of the party ah. Sebio and you don't take. Okay. It's not about Justin Kodua. The Omoye, it was an insult to the MPP. It was an insult to the MPP. You don't do that. You don't do that. Because here, I have seen instances where people will gang up against national officers and all of that. And I made that to me to say, or to me call Kodua Ehon. But those things should not happen again. It should not even repeat again in the MPP. That's what I say. It should not repeat again. I mean, for what is worth it, with direction of the Maya as regional chairman, I know that the constituency officers say Bushun. You told them to go here. Almost they will go here.
Yes, see, catch up more election. I say as a delegate, OPK, when you saying
me, yeah, I'm sick. I'm the co-ing. I'm sick. I'm saying. I mean, what got told you? I would say, me say, apart from say me, yeah, my baby new and price no. My co Ghana, me presidential elections, general secretary election, minister me uku. So for party full share.
Okay.
Yeah, now we MP, you know. Kakra be susa ni you know. Obi ama me fe.
Be 50,000 e ko.
Oh, Debbie, Ade, na me aketu ya hina 50,000.
When I see POPK. Our NPP National Delegates Conference. Baby out send our share no uhuni say.
Me infa enchia informa me constituency for I'm central for. Na me original chairman na toku any Charles oye deputy secretary na me constituency so me secretary Kofi Samoa. An organizer leke and a treasurer so for Munkoso nya adwuma no na yenso ye afam de wo esro ha anchi bia ba bekam ho na abato na ebaso no yenso ye de ahode abeta akire na enra nnuanom o mabato e de se de wo ka no de mu esisika de Omsa ahokyere e nyina sa ahokyere ba nanso krofo magana fo nyi ni sa ahokyere ba kura ana sika kura e tan keke kese mu hwie sika na ma unhu ba bia sika ne fi
unhu so bi chebi
aroba na ubisa no unhu so ubisa se sika esu ho
e tinam se me tie no
yo tie ne me so mati
okay so ye tie sa ye mkoi
sika hwie ho na sika nya fe ubisa opike o se di sika o de ko ni na asan na otua on behalf of no ne preferred candidates enti e no o maye ma politics no I time keke because sika wom na o maye ma I excessive o me hwe ni anhwe yi all the time anhwe a wo mu amfata no e no ba be di o mane so
is it only NPP only NPP
I cannot say for a fact enter may qualify and say o maye ma afedie time
okay
yes delegate ba one man is case one fanya transport and any feeding it's okay but to go to the extent say be able to me be say 2,000 3,000 I mean where do you get the money ono pick na get you no work no that MP na get you ahi it say oh you na so ko fast SK ya now something is wrong utimi mo be that amount of money now be your MP a get you ahi because me can wo open her e bia enye palatable to other MPs can you say me can get you na why dey na unya say SK do me hwe ne ye o mo say politics na ni na na di ahokyera bre ye yi
na dey wan ye ma obiska obi aka say maniska
opiki o ka se wan ka se o
debi na a say wa conclude say ye ma obiska
obiska dey flow sika dey flow na me say na mo drone na
you see but you see sometimes as politicians we need to be very sincere to vote
time no
omo ehwe bebre eto aba won ho bebre ye branch executives ne police station ne ward you can never say oko no akogina wo manim so omo to aba mawa ebi obi afa ka aba na wo yi 20 cedi na 50 cedi dia ma ne so omfa nko emfa ka nko no enye bone politics no se sikan kanwa untumi nye
se I think say no be na no ka se nipa na ba no am lorry fare dia fine but se we could crew 2,000
obi eni o ma 2,000 enra me constituency officers
obi am 2,000
and okay
me that's okay
I see na opike wa ma me nsem nyina akọ ye na fofo de na so eduru a me yan twim kakra a opike ale na ayesa de me kire say you monetize no na ya to aba general election
okay
and na ma Ghana say eniema atitia pansam asaya ya chie nwa bia nye hwe fuel price and na bro 12 hwe dollar chesi 9 also mo break 8 ebe break 9 ni 10 cc a san ne mai na ma ya ho kire yen hwe ma ya to aba opk bi san say sewing machine wa anche bi sewing machine na na so akwabrane sewing machine me constituency uba kwana sewing machine suobi freezer kitwe na suobi na
election dia na oche
election manche never banche bi na mko fa no wan asa
we sure so election once spend bi bia wo o delegate omo to abama from NDC
me ka we me ka general election
the no dey oye
general election wa anya hwe
general election no general election never
but primaries na we kakra
some medical catch say primaries obi ba na o man the fuel
okay
the transporter there's nothing wrong
okay
or fie dano on kwa adwuma no aboba ya it's okay na me ka excessive sikana omo edi ya politics that is the difference I'm making na me say even year to general election na nipa no doors no
okay
they were distributing sewing machines
but this year the same
no we never did na ye confess can
2020 NDC and check Ghana for him
no Ghana for who say ahokyere na yewom no na mom de to abama NDC when na omo na ye control person
what I'm saying is we say it's difficult for us dealing with this issue the monetization of your politics near working so bit one no hwe na say why you be sad the man then no be say no say na me honorable na other there
let them judge
okay
interrupt say you kasa the population
okay
sabi how many so let them judge the constituency you to aba you be a car boot near 200 200 na obi so freezer obi so we say sewing machine
okay
ni niema hair dryer these things the whole country they can testify enti wo me can no make a choice no na any be omokoye yi also my winning team to me it wouldn't make any difference because when you win never to aba no nya crofo never to aba no Ghana for never to aba
okay
Ghana for never to aba based on what the party has done to us party no enfia nwatwa de komi e say ye bo pa president fie mieni ye nwu ansa na ya to aba no
oh
e say asa ho kire na ba ma e say anhwe beduru ba bi no wonu agira na wo de o pena wa chine fiscal survival of the fittest wa chine ni ska won ho ma ba for ska bam wanya be prawo sabi na say eba aho kire na ba too much it is based on that ye be to aba no anya wa executive akoyi wo at any rate me can say omo delegates no omo ya ade bi a Ghana for obehwe so aye
okay
Kofi John Boadu nya John Boadu no gira simpia nim e kan say ya adwuma ne ya ka dia Ghana mrache obenya adwuma mabuso ne akọ neighboring countries akọ factor for me aba adwuma nya ono na kan and where are the jobs based on that na mafo ato abetia no
okay
nti MPP as a party omo gira o kan say adwuma bebu wo mani mu anka so be one district one factory one village one dam and yamam kai bia no a ayadwuma ma baumia onu ne ebe hwe so apanish no baumia some of the kan
why would
so on na say omo be yin dia ene en hallelujah
it Ghana for beto abade etia MPP because of baumia ntia
based on some of kai no
because of baumia
I say baumia so be ba onu na ye west
okay
you know can say if the you can do all the propaganda you want but the exchange rate will expose you.
Enya no kre.
Ah?
Enya no kre.
It is based.
Okay.
Enya kre.
Okay.
I accept. And Ombra me can be say this time that time no kasa na from Kufuor time dollar Mahama time abedu only 3.8. Na all kasa asem no. Ende abedu 8.3. Or maybe repeat the same thing. You compare. Me you ma me time.
Me patch what time.
Time. Time
it's a car crabby na we best 1 minute yako
enti baumia
yeah
ne ho aye wiro am say indum ka say sebe o yare kakra
o ka so yare
o say aye vice president yare kakra
no say any
I'm quoting what I'm quoting
what the guy
indum
on but say and Krempo Cross say
please let's
Papa Quesindium e can asem na
let's not do that
as a member of say a worth no
me onobi yare a
oh the baba unim say enye worth refer but enye worth referring to
my withdraw neighbor me can say oh you useless
apologize
oh
and so
oh Debbie you know you can't do that please
oh Debbie no you useless then
me can say incompetent
no please Debbie we cannot sit here and run down our leadership
Debbie
you see if somebody uses those words on you will you be happy
Debbie
how do you describe somebody as useless
don't also forget say oh yeah a person or representing or man or baby if you go be a beguni bia no ye gu or my Ghana
aminia enti me can say oh you incompetent
say oh the me
can say baumia you incompetent will you accept that
I'm saying say let's be careful with the kind of words
adjective
I mean say you careful with the kind of words
I want to make a point
you see against our leaders
I know I want to make a point
okay
say me you incompetent baumia will you accept that answer me incompetent adjective useless yeah adjective into useless say me use no I'll use incompetent baumia ono nyona oka say the exchange rate will expose you nyona oka say Muhammad trimi din na fuel nyona na you have the men nyona oka say they have the men and brag say economic management team oka say watch dollar dia share them na fe ene after 6 years
okay
now why you're in charge of the country
okay
na say economy ne ko bada you go back 6 years back and blame somebody I mean is it normal I'm not saying say ono na no more that statement is not normal
okay yeah a honum because I know a second topic I go say good morning Honorable Kwache is not telling the truth during NDC MP primaries I was in his constituency he shared almost 3 billion own cedi to his secretary Samoa at Ankwaso. And it's Mabudi ni here.
Samoa,
okay, at Ankwaso. Okay.
Hey. 3 billion.
Who is
that? Money, our money.
David Diao Ama.
David why?
Diao Ama.
I don't know him.
Okay.
But that is the truth. He has said the truth. He has exposed you.
The truth. Oh, I suppose.
He has exposed your life to you.
Wo premise no.
Yes.
Na wo bibi sa wa na wo che. Wo ni mo bi e fe ni Samoasa.
Why? Me nim Samoasa.
But say din now.
Samoasa.
Why now correct it?
Only a crop per se or cut the truth now. How money penny din? I'm telling you, say, giving money to the delegates for their transportation,
it's not bad.
It's not bad.
But 2,000, 3,000 a year.
Yes, but monetization is the bad thing.
Badwam on Adom TV. Join live on Facebook, Adom TV, YouTube, and so Adom TV. Ya comment every pem. Ya bajina keke ni nyina e dia fana sekese and koma Hepa Plus mixture. Me so come with edru papa ene abamo biaja tum. A2 and 3D ya de asia enoa ene Hepa Plus mixture. O man baby eton edubiano. Okwa onsabe kan bi atosanso ena Franco Trading Enterprise. Phone papa efie and was say a deep freezer. Say a laptop mpo na ope say a TV na ope say a phone ana fridge mpo na opa for the HF Franco Trading Enterprise Ghana on krabata o kumase takrade enkran hwehwemo o koko mlemle sanso na Care Chaco toothpaste papa and the boy say am yesi aye fitan ka papa enso afiri esim aba o kwakoto edura de bepa osia mano enye Care Chaco toothpaste City Black Tonic Mr. Wada ya boni pedwemu emma na enye kama pa isa se mujadro de enye bia na osa woto ebu ato a enanko a na me wada enche da nyoni pedwemu hwe na wo bi oto City Black Tonic enu bia gitum se enu papa eboa ma ni pedwua ejida ne naso eye ba bia to ado bia kwa se beka bi ato nyebekwa na so yasne emede pensem dwumade eto aso de ama on Badwam OPK former President John Dramani Mahama caution to NPP aban muntimuni ma mama mfansha mo kashire NDC fo nye hwe ya mo de wonsobo e ba bebo mo ose munye mememu a na munye mfonso ntum na muntibi enkorete no
yo emse jedin kai omampeni dada John Dramani Mahama ne futuo no yaje emom sebi obi a na breso na ohaw bie ni ho na otumedie ko IMF eja ene no wanya yen ne wanya no na okasa because e was a Ghana san ko IMF na yekoje besia na me no I will not even look at the personalities involved, and I don't think say we should personalize it and blame either NDC or MPP. I don't believe in that kind of politics.
Okay.
The woman say and then penso Ghana edru no yesike nyina yenya no because of COVID and na ho kire ba ye nti no yenya the needed revenue sika enko say Ghana for eto ne niema wo so mutua no sisi ya no say scan emma biom because COVID ba yi amanfo eduma se wo mu aka ne no kokra niema free China obi a ho kire no nti adumasem kofom ena ene ohwa Russia and Ukraine for ntokwa esam wheat ye di ye duane man kwala nyina dodo na afri Russia and Ukraine. Okay. Ye ka petro home politics a we are seeing na we Russia free mu a enye ye ene ntokwa yi no Russia ejina fa China so etai na chi and America and UK ne wo make ka won nyina so akogina fa and also tie Ukraine which is affecting the price of crude on the international market.
Okay.
This any main way nyina no those ye to petrol was saying but because ye ntimi enye ye refine wa ha ene niam na isa ne man and a petrol yi so de wo mo ebe hu ye no ye percentage kwa wo mo no isa aso ban
as for the past 10 years yenya about $30 billion from Fuaye to Ghana. You're only 10%, which is $3 billion.
So you can imagine. Et you know, ama se bibi esi wo hopena na affect Africa.
But OPK
Ghana pe.
the issue about COVID, who nipa ewuye efrimua. Ya tenase ya quantify sika pa COVID eba yenti omei actually. Vis-a-vis sika ababedi ensa as a result of COVID. Ye call IMF akwa koje about $3 billion. But COVID time, IMF mkwama almost best $2.4 billion, far more than IMF sika yaje since Rollins time to John Mahama.
You see, IMF na ekoro enye just the sika edbeba. Brody Free be credit say ebia uko IMF uko ama science uko akobo besiano.
Okay.
Once IMF le kan hono e ma gidie ni kakra so your credit worthiness.
Okay.
So that's it. You know, only will be crack could dinko because IMF no e back and our IMF program no. To me at the besian ball and now to me mouse grant and now so to me because when him say they can fall on the IMF. And the IMF no is like Bank of Ghana. So I say Bank of Ghana, na bank I would draw ne, Amaya would draw ne institutions I would draw in our foot with them. It is a drum pempen so be na be which now say oh my main Bank of Ghana ho. Na Bank of Ghana Emma make a cry. I don't see say air bonnet. But of course
during COVID season.
You see, let me be very frank with you.
Okay.
For instance, for the 2021 budget, you approve in Parliament. 2021 budget, no, your expenditure now you 130 billion Ghana cedis. Okay. Your expenditure 130 billion. By projections or including yield levy, sika benya yield levy mu ya de baby biana, and you can 100 billion. Okay. It means that right from the start go where go no. You have a shortfall of 30 billion.
Sure.
Even with high yield levy projection of 7.9 billion, and a yield levy, I buy this share so no 500 million cry buying to me.
Yeah.
Because I don't know, NDC for Pichiama and a Ghana for everyone say yield levy no airborne and you know, one person will bet you. And if Nancy WhatsApp platform be so a year MP Baku we are Okobrani say so be seni momo NDC MP so be seni momo ama buying 11 so be faka akoye na say e dis kana koma and it tells you the kind of mentality NDC and you am body di achiro na num ze me dem ntwanto so me say na me dem ntwanto but you see it tells you a poison the good system no more and affect you level mobilization revenue baby aban be yes kan kra na atosin so that say it is ya mpeko en bi anye ya ebe ha already ya bombo be sia o say aban ekotu ya
obi kenem bisa ye sika influencer kan ye as a result of COVID ebaye
na make a say
IMF nko am over $2.4 billion
but 2.4
far more
billion
than sika John Mahama koje from IMF in 2015. Don't also forget the last tranche of John Mahama's IMF. Na do dan kwaku for na beje. Okay, kaseska we little say don't you think say enough minimum expenditure na bia enko ye.
No, so let me be very once the IMF sika on the brain COVID address.
Yeah.
That time government workers no motivate but government needed to pay them. Yanti da sa buy COVID buy ya na dwuma 40 fee no aban twem yanti da. Electricity cry na edin. Aban took a decision to support electricity payment. In Kophobia, no more used to be below a certain threshold. No, they were not paying.
Any election office at that time, he has a free electricity.
There any election. Now, because of COVID, I want to buy. Me,
yeah.
We could be anywhere. Say you on for Kaishiba.
Okay.
It may be your phone go Kaishiba. The reality is that here one more crown a chakway. Obefaka every has a ebia uniska beko China or Lagos higher. Yet to board them close to 2 years because of COVID. Young person COVID best spread it within Ghana. You have to board them. Me mame or woman. Said you Nigeria and Udija. When to me and kwa na ye kasi nisika crash because sikano and what depending on it eka kaneno wakofanya man no de ba abai ebeje the tax also.
Okay.
Driver for benye sika.
Okay.
Odru a border obeto nsu obeto aduane wo ho wo mo a etom banku wo ho obi benya kakra hye the bottom So you see, the economic activities in Ghana came to a standstill. It is Obi Breo 2.4 billion dollars. What you do is that because your expenditure no is standstill, you are paying salaries, you are paying compensations, people want to see roads construction and go for person. But with revenue, no, there's no activity in the country for people to pay taxes. During COVID, there wasn't much activity. Okay. Go and speak to multimedia finance. Go and speak to multimedia finance.
Okay.
They will tell you, say, during the COVID period, even adverts weren't coming. Even adverts, now it was difficult for adverts to come.
It say overspending.
No, Anna make say. So and you see, COVID, came at a time where nobody was prepared. Nobody foresaw say COVID.
It would say you overspending during COVID period.
I'm not too sure say you overspending. But overspending and some of way.
But that's okay.
10 minutes.
Yeah.
Okay. Question of
10 minutes.
32. Minuya ubisa Mahama
yes.
Asamoka.
Mahama ekachre.
Yes. Na meka mishasi entem kra. Baumia sabe ne hoya mobo kakra. We na oba be president edi.
Now
because after 6 years. After 6 years.
Okay.
Wabaye in charge. Na when your problem who go back to blame the former leader. Then are you a leader? And you say the mindset is that. Na say otenaswa be say 8 years na assembly ba onani sori o Mahama. Go yinipa, he is not credible. Onyani po betumi I take the bull by the horn.
Dr. Baumia did so in his recent lecture as a take or pay a Juma moye editor no. E can be ne ma Ghana. Yeka ebedu babia etu
That is not true. That is not true.
Okay.
Who a press man?
Okay.
Go to the records.
Okay.
Suhini ebisa sa question e parliament.
Okay.
He was there. Say on my own take or pay no a car nipa bo say the whole 4 years no 1 billion.
1 billion.
1 billion for the whole of the 4 years. Who buy I say every year 1 billion. Where it's on record oh, parliament you can't say ma edaho finance minister nankasa nanu. So where is this man coming from? Every time kasa sebe in Toronto odi.
But the whole 4 years even say 1 billion pokra na enye huge in farmer o mine.
Enti excess power no. And a danger man the country. Every country should have excess power.
What was the plan of John Mahama abro nya excess power?
Are we not going to industrialize? To extend power. Look, last week we beside a question war my constituency so.
Okay.
Electrification and yeah. Up till now, we bon full so ejedun asase tre dankwa wura. Omo nyina no ya sunlight ni nyina ni ade wo ho. Akase ye be ma won power no.
Under John Mahama.
Under John Mahama.
And almost sunlight.
Yes, sunlight no.
Okay.
Yeah, and we beside a question of parliament. So minister, after 6 years, what are you doing with this? When you power now, excess power, obetumi send electrification to people. No. Enti obi o vision. Kwame Nkrumah here akoso mbodam no. Serve for how many years? About 15 years. That is planning. Enti ga akoya no akoye ketuam na ati so afibia na dibia kan. No, it doesn't work that way. Every country should have excess power. Kwame Nkrumah here na akoso mbodam oye no na ye hia only small megawatts. Or yeah, a survive for 50 years. And Mahama ye, not the excess power, but also one district, one factory. Into excess no where were you going to use the power for your factories? And the country should think ahead. So assume even obey your power, use it. You can sell it. You can extend it. Well, extend the electrification to the people are a more economic activity. A cost
selling no abampen for the catcher say. Because at the rate I tall, your power na. Ne ton ane born adding to cran, ne ton cran adding.
Ne ton adding?
Yes.
Intinka power no, any quasi in your power. Is that what you are telling me? Power na unyano, whether it is expensive or what no, the effects na unyano. And then here, Kwame Nkrumah here, akoso mbodam no. Oni mini bo. Man fara kosan kaben kana bo chira kaben here. Adena papai obeye dam, the largest man-made lake in the world at that time. Largest man-made lake in the world. Na been see that. Kwame Nkrumah nya vision yet to all. I don't know me say Kwame Nkrumah. Oh, ye ni kwan ye be use nti ade na ya to. At any rebaka cho say ba umiana sem na okan. It's false. Na me ni na so ya. What about 6 years? Why do you go back to blame somebody? Embro be just CPS say or economic management team Professor Jambafo my bobo di mame hwan no obobo no se no onim se ne ma ekoyie
ona Mr. Mintwa so but me ba me sado time no ama saka be 5 minutes amesa e dey ama
3 minutes
80 batch dey why 5 minutes ye ba me dey 5 minutes no e be sa ama me pa cho ye nya adwuma we na ye mra je sie ye ba beto so. Yes, I'm Makwaba ABM. NPP and Akufo-Addo has failed Ghanaians. Dr. Badwam has failed Ghana. The economic management team has no clue. They are only just bragging. Ablade Edwefri Efiokuma Ena Ode Ebaye. We see I could say tell the NDC MP that at least he should appreciate what this government has done all this while. Iman upon and so on so Ebaye eno. Honorable. A kwame be fa so e betimi e free sa dem patch dem be honest kwame be betimi afa so e free sa ya hu ye here
my plan my gang me kasa no atwas na o call break o be ba na me nsem na aka o pe so change topic me wie
me change topic ne no na me wo so no
topic is the kwan be so nya na be kire on kwan o say you can do it, I do it. The moment you kwan ama enam so amom ya be duru say ya ono ba omia o ka say Mahama Emse Mahama de otini dina na hopo. Say people are he has been vindicated. Mahama akono or say posterity will judge. Nyam odi judge. Bosi okoboy 122 from Kwame Kumate Ebreso to Nabreso. Where Oja Airport. And no people can pay for this loan. And no vision on. Where Rich Hospital. Where University of Ghana Medical Center. In Penifo wa be mu COVID chichi wo no. Mahama hospital sisi ye na no mu boni di boni omu na mkodi da omu ni asofo na ne omu si cathedral no emu na mkodi da ya no mkodi ayaresa
Mahama hospital
ni hospital sisi ye no hospital sisi ye o si maaman no winua eno ni vision enti loan oji ye no de sa na me sa krofo agi loan sisi ye duru 500 billion on chira dia won dia ye obisa no amra covid ba ya IMF scale the buy. The you wasted. Finance minister bar parliament. Yes, one check COVID. This kind of year. Or said Diani say you say it's kind of asa wasted. We just see about means no debt to GDP no. Ever call and they see drew 90%. Mahama Bresner 57%. Musa or ye incompetent. Mean you should say word na and you should useless more be. I must say hey press me na mo kan ho na mo yeso. But we are no wife flag to be jina ho. We see you. We can see you. Incompetent Mahama. No can be. And then can be. Maybe you see adjective. Say in quotes useless. I must say I won't be that. Now useless adjective. Now incompetent adjective. This is what they demanded. And the Musi Cathedral. PDS scandal. They wasted the money. And Mary nobody bomb Mahamachi. And now Mary no Abaye Diama. They are going to transport this Mary plant no to Kumasi. A minister by the cost is going to be about $14 million for the transportation alone. On the way they waste our money. It that's the reason Amaya buy into this deep hole, waste, mismanagement, corruption. And I'm gonna say it when you're not on the shifty gold post cry. Okay. Okay, a side waste you're making, okay, what's up? I can't want some. A bust. Oil, who was oil net triera. Oil, naira. Bust oil so hun oil now we follow a trend in Ghana. Bust oil now say a contaminating
say na
fine
contamination yes
I say a contaminate I say
there be
and say in top you don't purify no I'm purify me engineer marine engineer and what I'm talking about what I know.
Yeah
marine engineer, so that's my field. When I came home said I contaminate man within 30 minutes I'll find out what happened there.
Okay. Yes, me purify no.
I'm ready.
Engineer papa.
Ora me na CP. Me pa cho time na so.
You dey me enyo. Anya kra.
30 seconds here wrap up.
Enti hwe Mahama akọ oja niema wo ho.
15 minutes no akasa 15 minutes.
There be oja niema wo ho. Hwe esla. Ene ohi. Get fund. Om dey akọ sia wa.
Okay.
Stabilization fund. O dey sia wa heritage fund oma yi any scanning nyoma yi nyina di emra ye kwa IMF na all these monies were there
okay
but Mahama adwe say no my influence and two way mu
okay
the bien konkoje credit aye manageable ye fa microphone say or you incompetent en na de mu de mo diseske oja ni nyina ho mo sa wesi de no sama ji nyina nothing to show for mo ko IMF and they mo qualify no.
I kept asking myself, what does John Mahama want from Ghanaians again? You did your best. Go and rest. Dominic, Eben. OPK.
Now, why say, you know, who read, you know, they are against NDC already. I'm very sure, say, the tons of a year one honor all be against Baumia. But you are not reading.
You not tell me read your video car say, and you video car say, for the NPP has failed Ghanaians.
If you want it to be about 10 against 1, say, proportion, no. And if you are reading now, I don't read you no 5, you are reading against 1. Okay. When you are against 1, I will read you. Me tag you, pa. Me tag you.
OBK uncle, President Kufuor pay. Anamontu aye na mu ne oho ewo mo se betimi anya a fair deal from IMF. A fair deal near there.
Well, for me, what I'm looking for is social intervention programs I would run here.
Okay.
I was saying to me sustaining. And the free SHS, Honorable Beja to me say free SHS by MPs bebree on what to.
Okay.
Can you know one more na amount for salaries here in Tria and call school fees. And can no be come off a quite fee no. Na nkola salary ye ba beji school fees ni nyina ne SHS na etwemu amano a ahoto kakra aba ne botomu a ono so tumi nya bibi kakra enti obi bebi say free SHS no already no IMF na maye hu say free SHS no is an innovation say bi omunhunu bi da in other countries
okay
and they would want it sustained and you know bebi say free SHS we want to see it sustained planting for food and jobs. The level of investment there come one district, one factory. How we're able to sustain all these programs, and no, will be crucial.
But I say, 1 minute.
Minianum, the okay can't free SHS. Oh, can't you know other than Van Yen Quine? Oh, can't free SHS. Free SHS, and Quale or Munya, a Diana Cranny. Where the free SHS no? Way. Minianum, oh, Cassidy and Tria school fees, yet. And now, what for a school? No, I'm petrol box and loadu by any body, any banchama. Or Kobu,
no, Pocon one away. Or con one away.
Only be all year, at the moment.
It is all they call the banking and I go school.
Planted for one way. Let you who some Colorado a quick job on one reality. Davis
Opoku as a member of Parliament, the Malaysia war impress you about your episode. Sasuna Peter Kwache Aqua MP Ede Emma Adishawo Abefi Central. Or away from Kwakonwan.
No, some Kwano Diano. A second school beer and Kwalani Kuja and Wadiani. You have not seen those videos. Minianum.
Oh yeah, buy it. Just say, I want bank. You know,
I can't say university. Say university. So I'm not doing it.
Yeah, university.
Just say secondary school. I'm not doing it. I'm not joking.
Hey, secondary school, man. Both secondary school back.
School here.
Oh, so the headmaster don't watch it, no.
Ah, yes. Planting for food. Now say when we are be you. Oko kan he. Say na fe de o ma ya kukudura. O mo ba out.
Okay.
You omo here on free SHS. Now we just say what yeah be you adi. In kwala me krom ni na bakra. Oba a day student or high dine. No otoduane. Ya ma free lunch.
Ya
ma free lunch. No. Nyasa wan choose here.
One wan choose sana. Computer na place no.
There be a place you.
Hey.
Now we say free SHS. I've Mohammed this make education committee.
Okay.
Mohammed have fault several times. Press na muntie. E fe na nwene nse, e fe na munyina mu. Planting for food and jobs. Hwe come and see money mu. We say scan of the bam they talk cars no mugum. No ma waste scan no. E waste scan no. Waste to planting for food and jobs. E dey adwuma na akreti. E dey aduane na aba. And one of the slogans, and normally slogans in some, but born some kwasa, a capudio, and I may say that to GDP, I could do 90%.
Okay.
Inflation, I could 30%. Food inflation, Nipa so I have a planting for food and jobs. And then inflation, I could do 30. Food inflation, no. The other ones, the electronics near the no. They have mismanaged the country. It's time for them to go.
Okay. Happy birthday, Uncle Emma Ababio Bill, ya war MTN officer, what dance so man. We're free. One Casaunia. Okay.
The research and elections officer.
Okay. And then
baby. One prize when any birthday.
Okay, happy birthday. Uncle Emma. I say my production team, Dominic is the boy, director Mawule, Priscilla, Dachehine, and Yanwe Kahunina, sound MCR, light, cameraman, Munina, Smaya, Denyame, and Shramo. Ochina, and say that for Bessa, a Shamidi, the Aquasi, in Sia.